My audio good? Can y'all hear me? Yeah, there we go. All right, what's up, guys? I just gotta fix my mic, man. I don't know what I did to it. I'm breaking it over here. I see. All right, there we go. How about DWAC and PHUN? And Mark and RLX. Look at these three, man. These are actually ripping up huge. Hey, good morning, Jan, Mr. JB, Sean, PXS, Play. What's up, bro? Cryptic. All right. Hope you guys are doing well today. We are up. Good morning. Hope you guys are good. What's up, Rebecca? Good and groovy. Nice, man. Like totally freaking high and stuff like that. Hey, what's up, Rebecca? See, I can't even drink coffee. I'm mad about coffee. You know, I gotta drink this stevia soda is what I have to drink. And it's just not, it's not as good. Doesn't taste as good. Oh, I ordered myself. Oh, wait. Wait a minute, bro. Hold on, dude. Watch, Carol's gonna be unhappy. I'm calling her right now. Watch. What's up, Soli? She's gonna be unhappy. I'm calling her. Put it in perspective. It's 5:40 in the morning here in Texas. Hey, I'm sorry. You're on stream right now, so don't curse or curse me out or anything. Did we ever get the Oculus?
No.
We didn't?
No, we didn't pick it up. It's probably still in the driveway.
Oh, damn. All right, I gotta go. I love you.
Love you.
Dude, I forgot to pick up my Oculus. I spent $300 something on my son an Oculus, and it got shipped to our house, and we never picked it up at the driveway. So I'll be right back, guys. I gotta go grab that. I'll be back in like 30 seconds. Wait here, because that way you can see if it was stolen or not. Because there's I would say at least a 30 to 40% chance it was stolen overnight in our driveway. I'll be back. Oh, man, dude. They're all wet, bro. They're wet. Shit. Oh, man. Well, they're not stolen, but they're soaking wet because apparently it either dewed really hard last night. I'm going to try not to show you guys my address here. But look how wet this thing is, bro. This thing is soaking wet right now. Damn, dude. That ain't good. Hey, what's up, chocolate? Oh. What is all this stuff, dude, it's all soaking wet. What is this? Oh, no. Okay, good. I'm trying to see what all this stuff was. I did bring myself some. The reason I thought about this, and I'm honestly lucky we talked about coffee this morning, is because I ordered myself some acid-free coffee. I don't know if it's good anymore, though, dude. This stuff just sat outside all night in the rain, bro. It's either the rain or the dew. I still probably drink it. The real important thing is right here, but this box is soaking wet, dude. Okay, good. It's in cellophane. Nice. We can't show my son it, but, you know. It's in cellophane. So this thing's safe. Good. You know. My apologies, guys. I don't know why it said my mic was off. Here, let me make sure. Yeah, there we go. But it wasn't stolen. But no, we have PHUN and DWAC running up today. So we have PHUN ripping up today. Up 20% right now. DWAC is up like 22. So what's up, Sahan? Yeah, not stolen. Not stolen. Well, that's good. We just didn't want it stolen, you know. All right. I'm kind of curious if that acid-free coffee is going to work, though. All right, let's see what the catalyst is. DWAC up. TMGT said to seek fresh funding from hedge funds, family offices at $3 billion valuation. All right, so DAT chat is up amid reports on Digital World Acquisition Group circulating. Traders are circulating an October 22nd Investor Place article highlighting speculation, quote, order for Truth Social to be launched. Some platform like DAT chat would need to be involved. DWC is up on efforts to raise 1 billion PIPE related SPACs as BENE, PHUN, and others that are also up in sympathy from that. Basically an effort to raise up to 1 billion for the company, for DWAC. So 1 billion pipeline. Yeah, but what you're missing out with that, Bob, is that what you're missing out with that is that 10 shares will probably be plenty. If I buy 10 shares of DWAC, I can make or lose $100 in like 30 seconds, bro. Look at the range here. Just in pre-market in the last, you know, let's see, 52, 53 up there to like 59s. So that's at least $60 within, you know, 10 minutes if I buy 10 shares. I might buy more than that, though. I'll make you a bet. I'll buy more than 10 shares of DWAC today. Either DWAC or PHUN, as long as it sets up favorably. I'll buy more than 10 shares. I'll make you that bet, sir. And we'll see how it goes. What's up, Eric? And that's pretty easy bet to win, bro. I mean, the big question is, do you have $1 trillion, you know, to pay me, sir? Eric. Okay, so yeah, Eric, I've got two 34-inch ultra wides in the middle, horizontally. Right here, I've got 34-inch on the top, and then I've got 27-inch curved, 27-inch regular on the left and right. And so I've got a stacked horizontal setup that y'all are looking at. Y'all are actually, this is my top screen that y'all see right here. Like, this is my top screen. And then I've got one screen underneath it that I managed the stream with, but those are both 34-inch ultra wide monitors. All right, cool, Bob. Just be ready, bro. You know, listen, I take PayPal, you know. But no, on a serious note, 70 million ship. Hey, good luck, bro. Yes, we did get the new puppy. And she's so sweet. I just let her out. She's a little timid, but like, she'll be okay. They slept up in my kid's room last night. Look at Snow, S-N-O-W, at 350s right now. We also have Mark, ABUS, ripping up as well here. Look at ABUS still flying up right now. Arbitus is ABUS. So it looks like yesterday their candidate showed encouraging antiviral activity. So we're watching that too for ABUS. ABUS had a positive catalyst. Looking at pre-market right now. Let me see. We have EXPR gapping up some. AMC's moving a little bit. I mean, it had a really bad day in the yesterday. One of the worst days it's had in a long time for AMC at $30. A little bit under $30 now, to be honest. TTOO gapping up a little bit, almost to 70 cents right now. For TTOO, we got BYSI from yesterday that she's got such a ridiculous range. We should pay attention to it. PHUN, you know, of course, DWAC. We've got Mark. There's so many stocks to look at today. BIMI is trying to as well. ABEO. Here's ABEO. Look, Carol will come in here and show you guys the puppy in a little bit. Honestly, if I let her in here, she's going to unplug my computer or something like that. If I let her in here without help, she's going to unplug my computer or something like that. You know. But she's a sweet dog. Like, we're really excited. And my son even said on the way home, he was like, look, I'm glad we got a dog. You know, the ferrets went to a good home, and he's glad we got a dog, so it worked out. Oh, I saw your thing, Jason. I'm going to have to look into more details about that, though, because there's a few things, right? Like, number one, if I'm being honest, I am a front-end web developer, so mostly front-end. And so if it takes a lot of back-end stuff, I'm not really a back-end developer. I mean, I could learn, and it probably wouldn't take me much to learn. But, like, just off the bat, you know, the ferrets are fine. You know, the ferrets are in Ferretopia right now. The ferrets went to somebody that already had 2 other ferrets. They're going to live in 2 different cages with 2 other ferrets. And they're going to have a ferret community. That'll be great. That'll be great. Hey, good luck, Lucas. Hey, what's up, brother? What's up, Ali B? All right, guys, look. We got EXPR ripping up. Mark. PHUN. DWAC flying up. ABUS. Snow. We got some stuff moving. I mean, regardless of whether we're talking about large cap or small cap, we got enough stuff moving. EXPR is gapping up. Look at Express up there to almost $4. Yeah, but the problem is they neutered the females. Thomas, or I would start a ferret business, but they neutered the females, and so you got to like pay a premium, and I'm just not trying to do that. To be honest, 3 ferrets was hard enough. I couldn't imagine having like more than 3. You know. Yeah. Yeah. BICO from 13 to 25 in 2 hours. Is that a crypto? Must be a crypto, huh? Or it might be BITO, the Bitcoin ETF. Is that what you're talking about? No, that's not what you're talking about. Bitcoin's down today, unfortunately. Okay, so it's a crypto. Let's take a look. This is Biconomy crypto. I don't know anything about it. Let me know if you guys like the video we dropped, though. We did drop the 10 biggest meta projects. Hey, what's up, Rod? Hey, thank you, Ali B. CB Pro, the new. You think SPAC can move to the upside today? I don't know, man. Let's see it holds over 220 for spot. But yeah, DWAC making rips this morning. Watching these levels for both of these, really. TTOO. All right, so let's look at the catalyst for TTOO here. All right, so the catalyst, this is T2 Biosystems. It says that their system panel detects the new type, is what they're saying. DWAC and Fun are trying to get a $1 billion pipeline. So that is the catalyst for DWAC and Fun. I'll put it up here. How can I buy earlier than 7 a.m. if you have TOS? Or I don't know, you got to get a different platform, to be honest. They value themselves at $3 billion. They're raising efforts to get a $1 billion PIPE. And yeah, we got some big moves here for DWC and PHUN. Let's see if they bounce here at 370s. Is a big support level for PHUN. For DWAC, I think $50 is one. I think $50 is one. PIPE stands for Private Investment in Public Equity. What it is it's selling shares of a public company in a private arrangement with a select investor or group of investors. So when a SPAC announces its acquisition target, it will usually announce that it's giving the money raised in the SPAC IPO, as well as what's called a PIPE, which is a private investment in public equity, according to Fool.com. So research SPAC investing if you don't know much about it, but good news for DWAC. Great news, really, we should say. What's up, Paulo? We're good, bro. What's up, BKM? Weebles 4 a.m. Yeah, well, PHUN is a sympathy play to DWAC, Sam. So PHUN and DWAC are both related. They're both sympathy moves to each other. And then if we look at the crypto market, it's mostly down today. Bitcoin down to 56.4s. Ethereum back down to 4,500. But Ethereum's up so much in the last few days and the last few months, really, that it doesn't matter. Even with it being down today, Ethereum's still looking very strong over a long-term chart. Yeah, I see very few crypto that are great. Uniswap is up. It's up about 3% today. RSR, which I'm not super familiar with currently, at 5.5 cents, 5.6 cents, is up. Most crypto fell. Large majority of it did, actually, including crypto games. TATE is up. Let's see what Axie Infinity down 4% or so. Mana down 4%. Most of this is just following Bitcoin. Bitcoin's down 4%. So you see a large majority of other cryptos being down that much as well. Hopefully we had some type of good volume today. All right, but here's DWAC and PHUN, so let's see this. Hopefully we get some good runs today. All right, guys. All right, we got DWAC up. PHUN is up. It's at 340s, 390s. We've got ABEO, TTOO. Here's ABEO. We also have ABUS here. ABEO doesn't really look that good, but ABUS is still making moves, and we'll buy this one if it sets up well. Right now, we're just looking for a VWAP reclaim so we can buy the pullback like we usually do in pre-market. Again, we're going to try to scale up our size. We ended barely green yesterday, but we are getting used to scaling up with large sizing, and so, you know, bear with me, team. We're kind of swinging it a little bit lately, but we're getting used to the larger size, so just bear with me, team. I'm also supposed to get a new Top Shot ET or NFT today. They're supposed to deposit some type of Carmelo Anthony NFT into my Top Shot account because I did some type of challenge for them. So we'll see how that goes too. Grab, GRAB. Yeah, so look at the SPY here. The SPY just tanked yesterday. SPY just absolutely tanked. Grab, GRAB. Are you talking about crypto or stock? Okay, you're talking about stock. What happened to the market though yesterday, man? Let me check it out. Something not good happened to it. Yeah, Fed words, skepticism on the market because of that. All right, look at DWAC. Back over VWAP. Here's the VWAP reclaim we might be wanting here. Yeah, market tanked yesterday. Huge drop. I see some videos saying Shiba Inu is ripping up, but it's not. It's not. Yeah, that's rough, Sean. Yeah, I see that. That's tough. All right, so what's your top stock this morning, guys? Let me know. What's your top one? Yeah, I might be buying a little bit of DWAC just to poke around here. Yeah, a little bit. About 5 shares. See if it holds over VWAP. If not, we'll get out. We're just taking a few early trades today. It's all good. Hopefully we get a spike. Grab dipping down a little bit. If you look at Grab, let's see what the catalyst here is here. All right, so Grab is going to trade on the NASDAQ following a successful business combination with OMER. Transaction closes amid continued growth and momentum in Grab's business fueled by its ride-hailing, deliveries, and payment super app. proceeds of 4.5 billion, represent the largest ever U.S. public listing by a Southeast Asian company. 4 billion PIPE is the largest ever raised. 4 billion PIPE. Look at PHUN ripping up on that. At 415s, 413s right now. So PHUN is moving up too. And we're in DWAC here. We'll see what happens. We also don't mind buying PHUN if it sets up well enough. Like, I don't mind buying it if it sets up well enough. Yeah, I think grabs an IPO today. SPAC IPO is what I think it is. Yeah. So SPAC IPO today. Let me know if y'all can hear me. Y'all can hear me good, right? All right. Grab, we might buy a little bit of too. It just depends. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do. If I want to post a link to the stream early and to Discord so people can kind of get joined up early, and then maybe we can post another one later. That might be a good idea. Right, there's the rip. We'll let it rip. We'll see if it does. Hey, thank you all the follows, man. We got a bunch of follows on Twitter. Any suggestion on day trading music? I like what's being played now. Me personally, I'm a big fan of lo-fi hip-hop when I'm trading. It's calm, it's quiet. You know, there's a lot of different niches of it, but it's calming music. It's calming music. Cardano ripping up. We did, SPAC. I'll show it to you guys in a little bit. He's good, Daniel. Yeah, man. I'll show it to you guys in a little bit. Cool little pup, though. Cool little pup, to be honest. All right, we're in DWAC. I think we're just going to hold this. Maybe it's a mistake. Let me know if you think I should buy or sell. All right, let's do a poll. Guys, let's do a poll. All right. The poll is going to be, are you buying or trading DWAC and fun today? And I'll say and or fun today. You keep on going in and out of your voice. There we go. That should be good. Let me know if that works. My bad, Michael. All right. I'm telling you, bro, like, people underestimate like how powerful people underestimate how powerful that there we go. People underestimate how powerful that VWAP reclaim is, bro. Like, nobody ever listens to me. Like, this is the exact same strategy. People, it doesn't matter what stock I trade. Like this strategy works so well. like so well, man. Like if you catch one where the volume shows up here, all right, if you catch one like, forgive me for my really weird looking arrow here, but if you catch one where the volume shows up here and you find a stock that crosses over the VWAP like this, when volume shows up out of nowhere, and then you buy this dip to the VWAP area or somewhere around it, it's going to bounce a huge percentage of the time. Huge percentage of the time. You know? And so, yeah. Don't sleep on that VWAP reclaim because that thing is crazy powerful. You know, a lot of traders, I don't know why they don't like VWAP strategies. Some of them are incredibly profitable and powerful setups and strategies in general. You know, but again, vote on the poll. We just got the poll going. Are you going to be? Are you buying PHUN or DWAC today? Are you trading it really? That's all I want to know. Are you buying it or trading it today? We'll see what PHUN does too. Yeah, what's up? You know the thing. Yeah, if you want my playlist, bro, I got you, man. Just let me know. Music this is all lo-fi hip hop mostly. All right, we're gonna take this one. We're gonna add a little bit more to this position, and I'm gonna preface this with like, look, it could be risky. All right, like I don't want anybody to follow me in this specific trade for sure, because this one is I think I'll probably lose on this one, but we're gonna buy a little bit more of this here and scale into our position a little bit more on this dip. I think we might actually lose on it because the first one we profited from, you know, but I think we might lose on this one, so it's all good. But we're gonna add to that position. Let's see what happens there. AEI has the worst CEO ever. His name is 3 offerings from all-time lows. That's not good, bro. That's not good. Mark is ripping up. I'm pretty sure it's just moving up on sympathy. All right, do y'all want to see the puppy? I think my wife wants to show you guys the puppy. John, is it possible to put the ticker symbol on the background of the screen? Which symbol? Just the symbol I'm trading? Here, I'll help you out. Here, give me 1 second. I got you. Whatever happened to OP? I guess OP wasn't OP, huh? All right. These are all the stocks on screen right now. DWC, PHUN, mark, and grab. Yeah, I think Carol wants to show you the dog, to be honest. So I think I might have to wait for her. But it's a really sweet puppy. It really is. It's the coolest puppy, man. Like you could tell, like I kind of feel bad because it was separated from its baby sister. The good news is that for Christmas, I am buying my mom the other one. So for Christmas, I'm buying my mom the baby sister. And so the 2 sisters will know each other because my mom is the one that got me into German Shepherds. So like when I was growing up, my mom used to have a black German Shepherd. It was like a blue German Shepherd. Best dog we ever had. Super smart. Would literally talk to you if it needed something. Would scratch on the door and be like, "Rrr, rrr, 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 rrr," you know. Best dog we ever had for sure. And that's really like when Carol was like, "Yeah, we want to get a dog." I was like, "We need to get a German Shepherd." Like German Shepherds, the dopest dogs ever. And so, yeah, I called my mom yesterday and I was like, "Look, Mom, I'll buy you this dog. It's the other dog's sister. It's our dog's sister." And so that way they can stay together, and I'll just consider it your really expensive Christmas present. And at first my mom was like, "No," you know, because she already has like an older dog, Molly, sweet dog. But then I think she talked to my stepdad, and she called me back, and she was like, "Okay, we'll take it," you know. So we're gonna be getting that dog sometime. But yeah, it'll be cool. Yeah, I talked to my mom, and I listen. I definitely stressed. Look, Mom, and my mom can raise and train dogs better than I can. She really can. Like if y'all saw Molly, like my mom brought her dog Molly over to my house a few weeks ago. Molly is the best trained dog. Never had any type of professional training. Molly will not pee or poo inside. She will hold her potty all night if she has to. She knows exactly what you're talking about. We would leave our door open, and Molly wasn't allowed inside during the day. She'd have to play outside during the day. We would leave our door open, and Molly still wouldn't come inside. She knew she couldn't come inside. Molly is one of the best trained dogs we can get, and so my mom knows what she's doing. Like my mom can train dogs better than I can. Yeah. So, but I made sure. I really stressed. I was like, "Look, Mom, if you're gonna take it, you got to get it. Can't backpedal, and you got to make sure you're okay with raising another puppy." And she said she was. My mom's in love with German Shepherds too, so I mean, you know, it works out. And now the sisters will know each other, so it's cool. There's CFVI at 1250s. We got CMMB. Yeah, American Bulldogs are great dogs too. You know, it's all subjective. You know what I mean? It's all a subjective thing. Like they're all good, you know. But some dogs are smarter than others. I will say that. Like some to be honest, sometimes mutts are smarter than pure breeds because of, you know, certain things. But certain breeds of dogs are certainly smarter. Like pit bulls. Not the smartest dogs in the world, to be honest. Great dogs if you train them right. But not the smartest. Incredibly loyal, great defense dogs. Not the smartest, to be honest. I've raised them too. I've raised pit bulls too. German Shepherds are up there, though, with the smartest. All right, guys. So yeah, so we got CMMB pushing up. Mark is moving up in sympathy with DWAC and PHUN, and we're in currently. All right, nice. Let's take a tad bit off here. All right, so we're scaling out. Bob, we have so far traded at least 10 shares of DWAC, so it's time for you to send me my $1 trillion, sir. I will happily accept that, Bob. Angry Bob, you know. And again, we bought the dip. It worked. We got Mark ripping up. Yeah, I definitely will, Stonk. Oh, more than 10? Okay. In the vernacular of today's youth, say less. Done. Where's my $1 trillion, sir? All right. There's 5617s. We're watching that. All right. And we're up really nicely, to be honest, in DWAC currently. So you love to see it. Yeah, I mean, I'm sure there's some smart ones, Rebecca. I'm not saying, listen, I love pits. I've raised pits too. But on the spectrum of intelligence in dogs, some of them can be smart, but they're mostly guard dogs, so they're incredibly loyal, and they're, you know, and so they're great dogs. Don't get me wrong, I love pits. You just got to raise them right, you know. A Chihuahua will be mean if you raise it, and Chihuahua, honestly, sometimes the little dogs are the meanest. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, German Shepherd's number 3 in the smartest dog breeds. And I'm sure individually you're gonna have some smart pits. I'm not hating on pits. I love pits. Pits are great dogs, to be honest. Super loyal. That's the best thing about pits. Pits, you're their family. And I mean, with all dogs, you're their family, but pits are incredibly loyal. Labs are number 7. Pugs 10. Pomeranian. Australian cattle dog. But yeah, pit's not even in the top 20. I'm surprised that poodles are smarter, to be honest. Hey, thank you, D4. I appreciate the support, brother. Thank you, man. BENE, yeah, BENE is moving up in sympathy with the SPAC news on DWAC and PHUN. So BENE is moving up in sympathy. But no, I appreciate the fact that you like the Squeeze app. Thank you. Thank you very much. I feel like Elvis when I say that, but I really do. I appreciate it. Thank you. Squeeze app is getting some downloads. You know, we're Squeeze app. What? This has got to be a glitch. Weird. Yeah, so this is some type of weird glitch. Yeah, it literally said we lost 300 users on Squeeze overnight, which is just ridiculous. It's some weird glitch, I'm sure. It still says we have the same amount of user base, a little bit more than yesterday too. So we have almost 500 Squeeze users, and so we didn't actually lose that many. I'm not sure why my analytics say that. It must be some glitch. But either way, thank you guys for using the Squeeze app. I definitely appreciate it, and it is coming for iOS soon. Prague is actually green. Look at Prague. Prague is actually up in pre-market right now. So Prague is at 278, looking good. Yeah, looks solid. You know. The Squeeze app is basically looking for short float data, right? So like, if you look at short float data, you want to look at a high short float, small float if you want to see squeeze potential, like high short float, small float. And so, yeah, you want to see stocks that have a high short float, small float. All right, so hey, DWAC is moving up, guys, and we are making our money from it. We'll take it, you know. That VWAP reclaim pullback, incredibly powerful setup, incredibly powerful. Yeah, that's certainly possible, to be honest, Jason. Yes, would help if you embedded the ticker in the middle of the screen. Yeah, but there's no way for me to really do that. What do you mean embed the ticker? What do you mean by that? Hey, thank you, Jason. I appreciate you, bro. Yeah, nah, it's all good, bro. No, we didn't actually lose that many on the Squeeze app. Like, it was just a glitch. I could see how many people we have on the app currently. Like, I could see on Google, I'll put it this way. I could see how many installations we have still. So I could see everybody that has the Squeeze app and everything like that. So yeah, we didn't actually lose those people. I don't know why it said that. It's just strange. It even says here, yeah, this was a glitch. Good. Yeah, like just yesterday, we acquired like 10 to 15 new users anyway, so we're good. I don't know why it says that, but it's all good. Okay, good. There we go. All right, good. All right, so yeah, we actually only had 2 uninstalls yesterday. Weird. Unless it forced everybody out, which is the only other thing I can think of. All right, so we're still in DWAC. Moving on up, looking good. Holding this. We'll see what happens. Hey, my man Stonk. Thank you, brother. Get that pup a treat. DWAC. Hey, just for you, Stonk. I appreciate you, bro. I don't like that they removed the dislikes. I like seeing them so I can say what a blank every time they pop up. Hey, I mean, I don't mind it. Honestly, what the haters that chronically disliked my video truly didn't understand is that YouTube looks at it all as engagement. Like, they don't care whether it's a like or dislike. Like, they look at it as in terms of engagement, like who is clicking things on this video. And so even if you leave a bad comment or even if you dislike the video, it's all engagement and it all furthers to push your video to more people. And so the people spending their morning chronically disliking my videos were oblivious to the fact that it was actually helping the channel. So for that, I appreciate the dislikers. Like, listen, if you're obsessed with me and you want to see me fail that bad, I appreciate you because you're actually doing the opposite. And I think there's a hilarious amount of irony there. So shout out to you all. All right, so let's see. We're voting on the poll. Are you buying DWAC or PHUN today? 57% of people think yes, they are buying it. 43% of people think no, they are not buying it. Yeah. But feelings were hurt, right? I'm trying to think if I should buy more DWAC here, to be honest. I've been buying every pullback, and it's been working, but I know it's eventually not going to work here, which is the problem. Yeah, no. Weird. All right, guys. So DWC at 56. Is it going to bounce? Let me know what you think. All right, guys. So Prog's still trying to make moves. I don't know what I want to do with DWAC here. I really want to show you guys the dog, so I might go force Carol to get up. They hate us because they ain't us. Hey. Yeah, it's a weird dynamic though, guys. Like, honestly, I met up with the guy we were buying the dogs from, and he was like he watches my live stream, and so that's kind of where I met him. I was kind of telling him about it, and I've said it before, but it's hard to ignore the haters because it generally is like standing in front of hundreds of people and having them throw peanuts at you. I would say having 90% of them supportive, and then having every 10% just kind of throwing a peanut at your face or something like that. You know what I mean? Like, that's how it feels. And so it's easier said than done. I'll put it that way. Cup and handle in crypto. Hey, we'll see what happens now. BENE. Hey, we'll see. We're watching DWAC to see if it holds support here. Mark was ripping up with it, and then we got Prog at 280s too. Prog started to pop up too. Let me change this. Grab as well. We can watch Grab, but Grab just reversed heavily here. Free peanuts, FTW. Hey, live life, eat peanuts. Yeah, BENE, another one you can watch with all this craziness here. BENE, DWAC, dumping down here. AMC guys took a dive, and look at the SPY itself. The SPY itself got hammered, like heavily. We'll add back to it if it comes back over VWAP, to be honest. But look at AMC, man. AMC got hammered last night, under $30 for the first time in a while, a solid minute. Yeah, Adam, that comment is never gonna get approved here, brother. That comment is never gonna get approved here, sir. Sorry, bro. What's up? In my profession, there are so many haters. I just have to laugh at them all. Like, really, why do you care what I do? Yeah, I've said it before, but like, but they don't. It's usually a mental thing. You know what I mean? In the end, I'm very blessed to be in this situation and have this community, and it's honestly, y'all are a really good community for the most part. We got a few troublemakers, but like for the most part, y'all are solid. The weird part comes in, like, sometimes we'll have supportive people, and the supportive people will be supportive most of the time, but then every now and then, like, I'll say something, and I don't know if they think I'm like mad or they think I'm talking smack, when really maybe it's the tone of my voice. But for whatever reason, every now and then you'll get like people that have been here for a while that just get weird. Like, if I don't do what they want, if I don't make the same kind of content that they want to see, or they just get weird. And it's a weird position to be in. I love you all though, and I appreciate the support, of course. Yeah, what do y'all think about AMC, man? This dip is huge. Look at AMC, guys. It's down to 28.50s. Yeah, I'm moody, I'm sure too, to be honest. Like, sometimes, like I said, y'all see everything. Like, y'all see all the range and spectrum of my moods, to be honest. Sometimes you catch me in a good mood when I'm drinking coffee, probably, and then I'm like super hyped up and ready for the market. And then other times y'all catch me in a bad mood where I'm tired, just not feeling it. And it is what it is, No, not you, Howard. I like you, bro. I like all of y'all, even the ones that talk smack. Like, if you like, even the people that hate, if they apologize and come back, I'll let them stay. I'm not gonna ban them. CFVI is up to 1220s. What is this one's move? Let's look at the catalyst here for CFVI. Let's try to figure out why this one is moving. CFVI. CF Acquisition Corporation. So I think it's a SPAC Was halted a bunch yesterday. What is CFVI? Somebody explain this one. Oh, this one's moving up in sympathy. I see. This is a SPAC merger for CFVI. SPAC merger. How dare you not do the top 3 things that I want you to do? Hey, I appreciate it. Hey, thank you, Jason. I appreciate you, brother. You're a prima donna, man? Am I really? Hey, I'm definitely the top 3 prima donnas in the world right now, bro. I knew what a prima donna was, but I wanted to get the actual definition. I knew it meant like from context. I knew prima donna just meant like bratty, you know, and that's basically what it means. A very temperamental person with an inflated view of their own talent or importance. I mean, listen, guys, I definitely don't have an inflated view of myself, dude. Like, I really don't. I mean, I'm top 3 in the world at what I do. You know what I mean? So whenever you're top 3, it's going to make you have some type of, you know, standards. That's all I'm saying. You know, when you're top 3 best looking traders in the world, I mean, what do you expect from me though? You know, I mean, I'm just living life, you know, and if I look good, I look good. I can't help it, guys. You know what I mean? Like, I can't help it. What do you want me to do? You know? Oh yeah. Anyways, yeah, humbly speaking, of course. But no, we got CFVI up there to 1201s. Let's see if it holds over 12. We got Mark under VWAP here. Let's see if it holds that. We've got PHU at F4s. The SPY just tanked yesterday. Huge drop. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know if people realize I'm being sarcastic, Ali B, when I say that stuff, but like they should, you know. Right. What is this sarcasm thing of which you speak of so often? How about Grab? I don't know, man. Grab looked better about 5-10 minutes ago. Now it's kind of look a little rough. Under VWAP, recent IPO. We'll see what happens. Right, I'm a babyface trader, bro. Listen, that's what I do. I'm a babyface trader until you see me in person, and then I've got wrinkles and I look older than I probably do on the stream. I don't know if I turn the light on the stream. You know. Just got here and you already need to good day the trolls. I don't know. I'm kind of trolling the back. It's kind of fun, you know, to be honest. OMER gapping up a little bit. Is that $8 a share? $8 a share. 805. Let's look at the catalyst here for this. And I don't think we really have that many trolls here. I think we're just poking around. You know, you kind of talk smack to the people you're friends with, and like that's kind of how it is. And so I'm okay with that. All right, so Omeros, which is OMER, they're currently at $8. Float of right around 60 million. They announced an agreement to sell OMER franchise to Rayner Surgical in a transaction valued in excess of $1 billion. Dr. Evil, where's he at? But yeah, they agreed. They had an agreement to sell OMER franchise to Rayner Surgical in a transaction valued in over $1 billion. So crazy high transaction selling one of their franchises. So huge move here for OMER. Not the best volume. I would honestly prefer a little bit better volume here, but it's a nice move up. We'll see if it holds at $8. And then again, guys, we're still watching DWAC. We'll see what happens there. I know, Chris. Listen, bro. Strut your stuff, Chris. I'm not mad at you, sir. Yeah, go Tigers. Yes, sir. Hey, I can support that. Tari, what's up, brother? Hey. Go Tigers. I mean, we're not the best this year, but we got our new coach coming next year and his coordinator, so should be a good year. Third best reader in the world right now. I'm also top 4 best typer, fastest typer in the world too. I don't know if you've seen my typing skills, but they're good. You know, they're high. You know, they're immaculate, if you will. Hey, that's me. You know, Pony. That's me, bro. What's up, Ed? Good morning. Is there too much sarcasm this early in the morning, guys? Let me know. We got VIR, we got LBPS, we got PHUN, TANH. These are still trying to hold. We'll see what happens. Prague. Prague's up. It's green today. What about LVGN? Whatever happened to LGV? Or was it LGVN? Yeah, it was LGVN. It's currently at 2023s. We're watching that. Yeah, volume's a little bit low. Hey, for sure, Mr. X, 100%, brother. 100%, man. Without a doubt, this is the most attractive chat ever. Hey, I am in Texas. How low will AMC go? I don't know. Let me know. I feel like singing a song about it, but like I kind of feel bad it's down this much for everybody. So let's ask the question. Let me know. Serious question here. All right, I'm being too jokey. Let me. How low do you think AMC will go? That's the real question. How low do you think AMC will go, and where will it bounce? Oh, man, for somebody with the top 4 typing skills in the world right now, I'm struggling. All right, so how low do you think AMC will go, and where will it bounce, guys? Let me know. It's at its bottom now. This is likely its floor. Okay, got you. Sing the song. All right. Saints, of course, Glenn. But to be honest, I think the Cowboys will probably win. I hope. Yeah, I'm in a state of bliss. I hope the Saints win, of course. I'm from Louisiana, so go who dat, go Saints. But like the Cowboys are pretty good. Dak Prescott, you know, even though they lost last week against who did they lose against, man? Or no, they didn't. Yeah. They lost last week against, man, who did they play? I watched the game. It was a great game. It went to overtime and everything. Really, really fun game. Was it Las Vegas? Might have been Vegas. But yeah, good game. If it drops more, it will drop to 1450. Oh, the Raiders. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it was the Las Vegas. That's what I thought it was. Great game. Watched it. All right, so let's see about DWAC and PHUN. Do you think they're going to bounce? Good, man. Taysom needs to be the QB. I mean, he's not the most accurate, but he can run the ball. All right, so yeah, AMC, guys. Let me know what you think is going to happen here. We're down to 28 here. If we look at some support, we can try to find some. All right, so we can try to build up some support here to see what looks good. And so, all right. Looking at this chart, and this is kind of when AMC went crazy, but looking at this chart, you know, I think the biggest level here close to us is $20. $20. I think we have some lows over here at like 20. Let's see what this is. We got another few lows down here, right around where we are now. Let's see what that is. So yeah, right around 29. It looks like this is right here. So it also could be 30. I think 30 might be relevant too here. And so yeah, we have this low from yesterday. I think this is relevant to 2680s for AMC. So we'll see if we bounce there or not. Hey, nice, Jason. Hey, brother, let me know, man. Maybe we can all go to a Saints game. That would be kind of fun, bro. I could bring my daughter. She's super into sports with me. She's mostly a baseball fan, but she likes the Saints, and she would like going, I'm sure. That'd be fun if y'all wanted to do a Saints game meetup.
This is the end of side 1 of this record. Please now turn it over for second side.
That would be nice, but we'll see.
Second side.
That's it, John. See how you have AMC as a watermark background. Do I? What do you think about Hood, guys? Hood is an interesting one. Robinhood, you know, I invested in this one. I ended up getting out and saving a ton of money because it just kept dropping with the market. I think the market's just down. So I think the real question y'all should be asking is, where does the market bounce? Sorry, because I think most of these large cap stocks are just following the market. You know, I think most of them are following the market. The SPY dropped down to 450s yesterday. So again, I think the real question is, where does the market bounce? You know, does it bounce at 450? I think that's a big psychological level that we really want to see it hold over. Yeah, bro. The Rangers picked up, what's his name? Seager, didn't they? I'm pretty sure they did. Or no, it was Simeon. Oh, no, they landed Seager too. Okay, that's what I thought it was. So they landed Simeon, Seager. That'll be a great team, hopefully. I'm rooting for them. I'd go to the game. Honestly, the Astros have been a disappointment to me. I love the Astros, don't get me wrong. But, like, they need at least a W. I was hoping they would redeem themselves this year. CFVI over 13 now. Yeah, look at CFVI, guys. CFVI over 13 here. Huge range. Look at the range on this thing, man. This thing is up. Just in pre-market, it's up. It went as high as over 50% gap. So it closed at 970s. Over 50% gap when it went to 1540s. It's currently up about 30%. So a huge gap. Or no, this was a 50% gap, but huge gap, currently up about 30% in pre-market at $13. Let's see if it holds support here. I usually look for these bounces. Usually those bounces can be profitable. Name the pup Astro. No, I think we're going to name her Adelaide Rose. We're going to call her Rosie or Addie. Is I think what we're going to name her. Dude, they would have the best lineup in baseball SPAC. DeGrom, Noah, yeah. Scherzer, bro. I don't know. Scherzer's dope. I like Scherzer's attitude more than, you know, his pitching, to be honest. He's a great pitcher, don't get me wrong, but he's not my favorite. I like DeGrom a little bit better than Scherzer. DeGrom's probably top. I like Verlander as well. Emmanuel Class A with that 100 plus mile per hour cutter. All right, guys, so DWAC not holding over the VWAP, but still consolidating here. I wouldn't say this is too crazy. CFVI going absolutely nuts right now, up to 1320s right now, 1320s for CFVI. NAKT currently at 57 cents. Not enough volume for me personally here. So we're watching the CFVI up there to 1325s. Huge rip. Huge rip. All right, up to CFVI, guys. Look at CFVI. This thing's honestly flying right now. Flying up. Huge. And I don't see... Give the market time. The trend is the trend until the end. If you try to catch the market falling, you will make it multiple mistakes and it will cost you something. Yeah, for sure. The biggest advice I can give somebody trying to time the market like that is just understand, like, one of my favorite strategies is trying to bottom feed the market. So like I look for stocks that I find to be really beat up relative to what I think they're actually worth. Like some of my best trades historically have been from buying the MGM dip in the last kind of crash we had, and then buying up United Airlines as well. Some of the best trades I've ever had were those trades. And so I'm usually one that likes buying stuff at discount and then swing trading or investing it long term for the next few months, waiting for a rebound. I think those are some of the best opportunities in the market. I'm not saying you should do that here. I'm not saying you should buy them. You know what I mean? But what I am saying is that sometimes those are some of the best opportunities in the market. And so, yeah, we're going to be looking, especially at this dip, we're going to be looking at discounts and see what we can find. You know, who knows? Yeah. Yeah, hey, hit that like and subscribe button, guys. I'm going to call Carol, see if she can bring the dog on stream. Yeah. Hey, y'all hit that like button, guys, if you haven't already. We do this live for free every single day right here on YouTube. So if you haven't already, hit the like, hit the subscribe button. I certainly appreciate it. Wait, is that the dog? Oh, that's you, buddy. Oh, hey, man. What you doing, bro? You want to be on stream or no? Yeah? All right. You can come on stream, man. Love you, buddy. How'd the dog do? Good? Did she sleep well? Good, man. No, she didn't sleep well. She cried at night. That's okay. That's what puppies do. You just gotta be nice to her. All right? All right, love you, buddy. Huh? Dude, she's gonna love you. It might take her a few days, buddy. Like, listen, she doesn't know anything. Like we're all strangers to her, buddy. Okay? Man. Making a statement there. My son's making a statement. It's like, she loves Maddie. She never came to me. I'm like, okay. Just closes the door on me. You know? Yeah. Hey, y'all hit that subscribe button, guys. Do it now. You know you want to. Whatever happened to PPSI? CPIX slow down. Look, there's DWAC trying to bounce. We'll see what happens here. CFVI pulling back to the VWAP. I'm a little bit tempted to buy this dip. What do you guys think? Should I buy this dip here? It's such a huge range. I don't know what kind of sizing to take here. It's such a big range. I guess 10 shares. I like this dip. I like this pattern. All right, we're with 10 shares of CVI. 10 shares. Now, we'll see if it works. Yeah. Yeah, that's what we've been feeding her. Yeah, we've been feeding her. There's three different roads to a dog's heart. It's food, affection, and chew toys. And toys in general, right? Toys, like bones, balls, squeaky toys, food, obviously, and then affection. Those three things are what you condition the dog with, you know. All right, we're in 10 shares of CFVI. We'll see if it works. A little small feeler position here. Honestly, another day where I'm so far green in pre-market, though. Let me knock on wood, not jinx that, but yeah. The news on DWAC is that they're a SPAC, so you got to remember they're a SPAC. They're seeking fresh funding from hedge funds, family offices at a $3 billion valuation. Traders are circulating an article. They also up on reports on efforts to raise a $1 billion PIPE. Related SPACs include BENE, PHUN, and MARK. Currently at 129, 130. So these are all the sympathy plays for it, to be honest. Hey, good luck, win. DWAC seeking 892 million more against 3 billion received so far. Yeah, good catalyst for sure. Good catalyst. We'll see if it continues. All right, so we're in CFVI here. We'll see if it works. Green or red so far today, guys? Green or red so far today? I'm green, slightly. Red, AMC and Prague. We're watching Prague, AMC, all those. You know, Mark. Prague is up. AMC got hammered, but Prague is up slightly today. DWAC, if it gets back up, if VWAP and pulls back, we'll consider it again. Yeah, no worries, Chris. Hey, nice, Eric. All right, so we got a little bit of a pop here. Maybe I should have added some more for CFVI. What do you guys think? Let me know if you're green or red today. But we got a little bit of a pop here for CFVI. If this thing starts to run, it could really run. And so I don't mind holding a little 10 shares to see if we get a little pop. Hey, you as well, Mojo. Thank you, brother. DWAC is not really curling up. It's just consolidating. You know, like I said, I talked about this yesterday. But, like, we have the trend here. And we're just kind of going up and down aside from the trend. I look at PHUN pop. You know, DWAC popping up too. Both of these are kind of making a little bit of moves here. Might add a little bit more of this. What do you guys think? Buy a little bit more. We're in 15 shares. See if that works. Maybe add another 5 share position. Oh man, that's not the drop we wanted to see. Terrible timing, I guess. There we go. Okay. Dude, the crazy thing is that Carol loves the dog, bro. The dog loves Carol, to be honest. Honestly, the dog came home and it didn't trust my kids at all, but it followed Carol and I around the house for like 20 minutes. Like, it just followed us. It didn't want to go anywhere else. It only trusted us. And so, honestly, a cool dog. Yeah, the sound's here. Can y'all hear me? Let's do a mic check. 1 2 1 2. I'm sorry to hear that play. AMC, yeah. I'm trying to think of what I want to do here for CFVI. I guess I'll wait and buy a dip a little bit more. See if we can catch a little bit earlier of a dip. It's at 13s now. DWAC popping back up. PHUN making moves too. We got a German Shepherd. No, it was following me around the house all day. Like, it would follow me before Carol, and then eventually it became accustomed to Carol. But no, I know how to train dogs. Like, one of the biggest things is like you gotta signify strength. You know, so you gotta stand up straight. You gotta be commanding in what you say to it, and it'll recognize you as the pack leader. And that's what it did to me as soon as we got home. It followed me around. We have a video of it. It followed me around for like 20 minutes, and then eventually Carol walked with me. You know. And it followed Carol and I around, but it wouldn't follow it wouldn't follow my kids. It was like, nah. And so, of course, they were upset and mad, thought the dog didn't like them. I tried to explain to them, it's going to take a few days of getting used to that. Yeah. It is 11 weeks old. Yeah. Hey, nice pawn. Congrats, bro. All right, so we're in CFVI here. Roughly break even, kind of going back and forth. I was thinking about adding a little bit more to this. I don't mind swinging hard. The only problem is that this is volatile. Like CFVI is volatile. All right, so I'll add one more position. If it breaks under 1250, I'm out. All right, so I'm adding one more 5-share position, and I'm already green in pre-market. So we're trading on house money right now. But I'll buy one more 10-share position, and we got 20 shares total now. We'll see if we bounce right here at the VWAP. But yeah, the dog followed me more than anybody when it got home. It literally would not leave by my side. I would walking, like we have a trail in our backyard, and like I was walking in the trail we have, and it wouldn't even let me move. Like it would be so close to my legs that I was tripping over it. And so eventually it became accustomed to me, and then I would run and it would run with me, and then everything was good. And then Carol learned to do the same, and it did that with Carol, but it still hasn't really done it with my kids yet, you know? And so they're all upset. We let them sleep in the room with the kids last night, and you know they were able to play with the dog and have fun with it. So we're just trying to get them accustomed to watching the dog now. All right, CFVI, we're in with 20 shares. DWAC and PHUN still testing those $4 levels. Hey, nice pawn. 125 shares. $5 range. On which one, pawn? Which one were you trading, brother? Oh, you're talking about the first day. You're talking about the first day PHUN went crazy. I know what you're talking about. Yeah. Crazy day, brother. Crazy day, man. All right, look, we're going to use 1250 as a risk. And if it breaks under that, that's fine. Like, we'll stop out if it breaks under that for us for CFVI. But I'll jump right back in it if it looks good. I don't mind doing that. So we'll just hold it. Hopefully we bounce here. But if we don't, it's all good. You know, not a huge deal either way. Don't let the dog in here. Mama wanted to show the dog to everybody. Where is she? Oh. Here, no, don't let her in here. She's going to unplug my computer and she wants stuff. Here, get her out of here. Hey, baby girl. It's okay. Good girl. That's right. Nah, see, now she sees me and she doesn't want to leave. Here, I'll get her.
No, she's leaving. No.
All right. Close the door. Hey, no. It's okay. Hey, baby girl. I see you. That's a good girl. All right, come on.
Watch.
Good girl. Good girl.
Nope. Stop saying that.
I know. Come on. It's okay.
Stop.
Good girl.
Come here.
No.
Check you.
Go. No.
Hey. Come here, baby.
Good girl. Good girl.
Here, I love
There you go. All right.
Go.
Love you guys.
Wait, no, come on. This is fun.
Love you, baby. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, she just follows me around everywhere, bro. She came in here, she saw me, and she just sat down and stared at me. All right, so we're in this. It looks like I was going to exit CFVI, but I think I'll hold it now because we have that down wick. We have back up to 1260s, which is great. Let's see if we rebound here, get up to 13s. I don't know if I can short NIO. I don't know if it's shortable. I have to check to see whether it's ETB or HTB for me, but I don't even know if it's shortable. $38.80s. I'm trying to see. I don't see an ETB or HTB level here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I can short NIO if I wanted to. I don't know if I will though. SPY rebounding, bouncing a little bit. So the SPY is green today. That's good. All right, we're in CFVI. We're bouncing at 1260s. We're at 1260s. We're bouncing there, so that's good. Hey, thank you, Ed. I appreciate it, brother. Thank you, man. When scalping, when do you exit? Usually I try to exit at like the top of the range. And so if I'm buying, usually I look at the top of the range. So I look at resistance levels. So I'm usually going to try to exit around these two levels here. Typically, now not always, of course, but like I'm attacking the range. I think one of the biggest problems that new traders face is that they attack breakouts too much. Like they look for high of the day breakouts, which almost always fail. Like high of the day breakouts fail a huge majority of the time. And so with that said, I just don't trade breakouts like that. I buy pullbacks and attack a range, and it's just a lot more profitable way to trade. I think a lot of new traders get stuck because the only sign of strength they know is high of the day breakouts. So what do they target? They target high of the day breakouts, and they just keep losing with it, and they don't understand why. And then it will even be misleading because some like 1 out of every 4 or 5 trades will work, right? So they'll have this big breakout in 1 out of 4 trades, and that'll mislead them into thinking that high of the day breakouts are a viable strategy because they had success with it 1 out of like 4 or 5 times. And so they just keep trading it and keep losing, and they don't understand. Eventually they give up trading. I think there's a very common story where it's like high of the day breakouts don't work because people are attacking these ranges. Like, look at this. So if I'm taking profit here, other traders probably are too. And when I take profit and when everybody else takes profit here at the high of the day, what's going to happen? The stock's going to slam down. And so fake outs or breakouts will fake you out a lot. They turn into fake outs. So I attack the range in between VWAP and high of the day a lot of the time. Yeah, if you wait for them to confirm, they might be profitable too. But I genuinely think that a lot of traders just get themselves in trouble because they attack breakouts too much. You know, they attack high of the day breakouts specifically. You can attack breakouts. Breakouts are fine. But if you're only trading high of the day breakouts, you're going to get faked out a majority of the time. Yeah, that's me too, Glenn. Hey, what's up, Aaron? Thank you, brother. Best wishes for you as well, dude. Thank you, man. Yeah, I think a lot of people did when they first started trading JB. It's not just me. I think a bunch of new traders are just stuck in this limbo of trading high of the day breakouts over and over and over again, and they don't understand. Yeah, we're gonna get out here, and they don't understand why they don't work. One of the reasons, like every day this week, I've ended green in pre-market. Despite this, like we got stopped out here, but we're not gonna always be green. It's never always gonna work. But I would say I have been green in pre-market every single day for the last week. So my pre-market trading is working really well. And this is what I do is I attack these breakouts here. To be honest, though, the second pullback doesn't work as well. And so I think when I traded this, I should have taken profits here, to be honest. Because again, where's the top of the range? That is. So I should have taken profits there with this trade, but it's all good. It doesn't matter that much. DWAC is back up to 55 or 54.50s right now. So we'll see if that holds too. The SPY is at 452.70s. So we're watching that as well. Hey, thank you, High Performance. Thank you, brother. Hey, can you look at the news for GLP? Did the company get bought or did they buy a company? Let me check for you, bro. This is Global Partners, GLP Global Partners. I'm not showing, let me see. I don't see anything for GLP, to be honest. I don't see any catalyst. I don't see anything like that. Do y'all see anything for GLP? What do y'all show the news is? Yeah, I said that a little bit wrong. Here. Anyone find the news for GLP for us? Yeah, I'll jump back in on the break if I need to. been messing with buying at support and selling into resistance. That's what I do. That's what I do. I sell into strength. I buy into pullbacks, and I take profit at the highs. Where it's kind of backwards to what a lot of traders do. A lot of traders will buy at the highs and then end up losing and selling at the support, and then it bounces right back. And so and I want you guys to really understand this. Listen, if you're struggling to end green and to be green in trading, if you're struggling with the strategies, I'll put it this way: if you're one of those traders that say, I know how to profit, I'll just do the opposite of what I think, you're actually correct. You do need to do the opposite of what you think, because what's happening to you is that you're buying it at highs when the stock is extended, and you're losing, and the stock is dropping down to the support level, and then you're selling at the support level. And then, of course, after you sell, it's a support level, so the stock is bouncing right back. And so it just seems like no matter what you do, the stock is going to do the opposite. You're approaching the levels the incorrect way. Like, what you truly want to do, and number one, I'm going to preface this with, like, look, I cannot guarantee that any of this stuff is going to work for you. You know, I can't guarantee anything's going to work for you. We're not investment professionals. I'm not liable. If you lose, don't sue me. Now, regardless of that, what you guys want to do is you want to attack a range. You know, number one, understand that most traders are taking profit at these levels. It's one of the reasons I lost on this last trade. But at these levels here, experienced traders are taking profit. At this top of the range level here, experienced traders are taking profit. And one of the reasons high of the day breakouts fail is because what happens is that the stock might break highs. But if that's the case, then even the traders that are holding it from down here, when it starts to break highs, they're going to start selling some of their position, because that's the most realistic place to take profit. And so you're buying it where everybody else is taking profit. And so you are doing the opposite of what most traders are doing, and you're trading against what most traders are doing. And so instead of buying it up here, it's much more profitable. One of the big game-changing things in my trading was when I stopped buying high of the day breakouts, and this was years ago, but I stopped buying high of the day breakouts, and I instead started waiting for pullbacks to the bottom of the range. I started buying it at the support and then taking profit at the highs. Powerful move, powerful change in my trading. And again, I know a lot of people are like, hey, I can't get this right. No matter what I do, it does the opposite. That might be why. And so really consider what I said. And I think it'll make sense if you really think about it. Hey. Are you bringing her in? All right. Here, don't let her buy my computer. Hey, come here, baby girl. Hey, it's okay. Yes, it's a sweet girl. Yeah. Oh, it's okay.
Daddy, she went downstairs.
Yeah, I know. Hey, it's okay. No. Shh. It's okay. No, it's okay. I know.
Oh my goodness.
Tell me about it.
It's a oh.
It's okay. Yeah.
When I came out here.
Here. It's okay, baby girl.
Is it?
There she goes. Look, this is her.
Yeah, that's sweet.
Oh my goodness.
That's a baby girl.
She was.
Today's the first time, like when I came out this morning.
It's okay.
She kind of jumped up on me, and she was so excited to see me.
Yeah,
She had
it's
been
okay.
crying.
Yeah, whenever I woke up, she was like waiting. So I brought her on the bed, and she just slept with me.
That's a good
And,
girl.
like,
She slept with you in the bed.
And I put my hand.
Yeah.
That's a good girl.
But hey, we talked about it though, right? We're starting crate training.
This is Addie or Rosie. Her name is Adelaide Rose, and so
I like
she's
Addie.
sweet.
I've been calling
We call her Addie. Yeah, that's a good girl. All right.
Adelaide.
All right, baby girl.
Adelaide.
Here you go. I'll let you down. I know you want to get down. There you go. That's a good dog.
Good girl. Here.
That's a good girl. Love you. Have a good day at school. Hey, baby girl.
Daddy, guess what? I took her for a walk.
Oh, good. Good.
And she just followed me.
All right, there she goes. All right. Love you. Have a good day. All right, that's the pup. That's the pup. She's sweet. Hey, thank you, Richard. Hey, she's a good dog, brother. She's a good dog, man. Yeah, we do. We have a lot of TTO. We got a bunch of them. All right. All right, there's CVFI. We're watching it at 12s. Dog is 11 weeks. Yeah, they're great dogs. I thank you, Anthony. I appreciate it, brother. Kids aren't skipping school, bro. It's 7 o'clock in the morning here in Texas, dude. You know, it's 7 a.m. here. Kids' school don't even start until later, you know. But yeah, she's a good pup. Good dog. All right, look, we got DWAC and PHUN trying to make moves. Prague is up to 280s. Yeah, the sad thing, yeah, that's one of the things that might hurt him too. Yeah, it's a big puppy, bro. She'll be a big dog. Prague chart. Yeah, here's Prague. Prague's up to 280s right now. We got Prague on the screen. It's right here. That's up to 280s. CFVI's at 1209s, 1208s. Yeah, when in doubt, zoom out. Somebody saying PayPal on a discount. PayPal, honestly, I don't know, bro. Like, it's hard for me to tell with PayPal. Like, PayPal's just gotten hammered. And there's a few reasons I think this is happening. Number one, I think you guys have got to really understand the significance of cryptocurrencies affecting PayPal and how they do it. You know, because like I think one of the most vulnerable parts of PayPal is the crypto market. Because I think that type of thing can completely like make PayPal's business model obsolete. Now I'm speculating, of course, not 100%, but I mean, that's the only skepticism I have with regards to PayPal is that crypto might change that. You know, crypto might change that game. If people start buying things easily with crypto, if some of these cheap, fast cryptocurrencies become out and eliminate the need for PayPal, you know, we'll see what happens. But I do think it's a relevant conversation to have. I'm not saying that's going to happen. I tend to think PayPal's going to be fine. Huge company. I still use PayPal a lot. I just don't want her to unplug my computer.
What if we brought her bed in?
Yeah, you can bring her bed and if she sits by me.
Her bed and her bone.
Yeah, just bring it right here and let her sit by me. That's fine. And if she unplugs my computer, it'll be all good. Do you think AMC and Prague rebound today? Honestly, I have no idea, brother. I have no idea, man. AMC, I think AMC needs a bounce, you know, for sure. AMC needs a bounce, but we'll see if it is. Yeah, even with PayPal and crypto, I'm just talking about like the need for PayPal. Okay, because like PayPal's need is being able to easily pay for business services, even if you're not like a big business. Like that's PayPal's need. Easily embed payment processors and payment systems into websites and into anything, being able to send money anywhere, right? One of the big overarching uses of PayPal is the ability to send money where you want it to. With cryptocurrency, there's not going to be a need for that as much. There's not going to be a need. You can send crypto anywhere already. And so it's going to kind of, I think it's going to threaten PayPal's business model to a certain extent. Now, how much? I don't know. Pure speculation. Not 100% sure. Yeah, and that's probably right, Jesse, to be honest. Hey, dope pawn. Hey, that's nice, bro. Let me know how it goes, bro. Send me a picture of that. That sounds cool. All right, guys, but yeah, hey, DWAC PHU went flying up. Here, put her close to me. She's gonna want to be close to me, so put her like right here.
Okay, we gotta make this move.
You just gotta watch the coins.
Yeah. Oh yeah, a bunch of stuff came in the mail and got soaking wet last night. Luckily the you know what is fine, but a lot of her stuff came in the mail.
Oh, her doggy toys.
Yeah. But hey, all right, so yeah, we're watching AMC. AMC be rebounding here. I think it'll probably be okay. AMC's just volatile. Prague moving up. CRVS is showing up on the list too, but I don't see too much good action there. OMER is still kind of interesting as well. Heading up to 850s, 860s, getting ready to test potential highs here for OMER. So we're making some runs now, and we'll see what happens. We're almost to $9. Yeah, honestly, that's exactly right. J1. I could be right on PayPal, but that's a very long-term, really nuanced discussion. And so I'm not, please don't think that what I'm saying is fact here, because this is pure subjective, speculative, not 100% sure either way about PayPal. It's just my own thoughts on PayPal, long-term, is how much is the crypto market, going to make how much is the crypto market going to affect PayPal? It is PayPal vulnerable to cryptocurrencies? We'll see. I think it's an interesting conversation, to be honest, but it's very nuanced, of course. Yeah, OMER ripping up at 870s right now, guys, at 870s. Just posted the Discord. Okay, I'll check it out. Wait, Carol, did you bump something, bro? All right, because
I love you.
Here, come on.
Really nice car.
all right.
Come on.
All right, sit. Addie. Here.
Hey, baby girl, it's me. I'm right here. Yeah, that's a good girl. You chewing on my toe? That's no.
Yeah, she's been a little bit more nibbly this one.
She's warming up. I mean, hey, baby girl. Here, give her that bump. Yeah, there you go. Give her that. There we go. All right, we got the pup here.
She's so sweet. Y'all.
Yeah, she is.
Oh, no, Addie.
She's gonna follow you out.
Adelaide, come on.
Hey, come here. It's okay.
Right here.
Come on.
Yeah,
Yeah,
all right.
girl.
Hold on. Come on.
You gotta close the door fully.
Hey, here, Jack wants to see.
Say bye-bye to her, buddy. Yeah, she loves you. You scratch her, you pet her. Yeah, she's a good dog, bro. Yeah, what do you guys think of, look at OMER breaking highs, guys. It's at 940s, 915. Right now, look at OMER breaking highs. Up there to 925, huge squeeze. I love you, buddy. Here, close that door. No. There you go. Yeah, I'm right here. It's okay. No. Yeah, get that. There you go. Lay down. There you go. No, there you go. No, it's okay, baby girl. Come here. Addie, it's okay. Come on. No. No. Come on. This way. Yeah, that's good, girl. Come here. Hey, it's okay. Come here. That's all right, baby girl. You're okay. Yeah. No. Jack. Come here, baby girl. It's okay. Come here. It's okay. Oh, that's my baby. That's my baby girl. What's she doing? All right, DWAC popping back over VWAP here. We've got OMER. We got OMER. Let's see if it holds support at 9. I'm a little bit tempted to buy this $9 pullback here. I don't know what kind of risk I want to take. Yeah, we'll buy this. All right, we'll buy this. All right, come on, baby girl. It's okay. Here. Eat this bum. Let me get that. No. All right. Yeah, DWAC back up. We are in OMER with 20 shares. We just want to see if we bounce at $9 here. Hey, Addie, it's okay. Come here. It's okay. That's a good girl. Come here. Yeah, that's a good girl. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Yeah, that's a good girl. I know. No. 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 It's okay. Come on, over here, Addie. You gotta be right here. There you go. Good girl. Yeah, I'm right here. That's a good girl. All right. Yeah. If you want to lay right here with me, that's cool. Here. Come on. Here, look, here's a sweater. That's cool. Go ahead, chew on that, bro. She's gonna unplug something almost certainly, bro. She's gonna unplug something, dude, for sure. Almost certainly gonna unplug something. Hey, baby girl. I know. Here, lay down. Oh, dude, she's gonna unplug something. All right, so we're still in OMER here. It's at 906s. 906s. Hey, girl. No, that is not where you go. This way. Come on. Here you go. Good girl. That's a good girl. Yeah, she's teething. All right, so we're in OMER. We'll see if it bounces at 905s here. Hey, Addie, come. Good girl. That's a good girl. Come right here. Hey, look at this, bro. You would like this. Look. Get that. What is that? Get that. Yeah, I'm right here. It's a good girl. All right, guys. I'm sorry. We got the pup here. The little baby German Shepherd puppy. She's I'll show it to you in a second. I'm trying to get her to calm down right now so I can work. No. She's biting one of my books right now. I guess you can eat that one if you really want to, dog. Dude, she's literally pulling out one of my books from the bookshelf. Addie, come here. Come. Good girl. Come. Yeah. Come. You can chill there. Yeah, that's fine. All right, Addie. You chill. All right, guys. So we're in OMER. We're in OMER. It's at 908s, 909s. Oh, did we get a pop that I missed? Did we bounce? Oh, we did bounce. I completely missed it. Yeah, her name is Adelaide Rose. So we call her Addie or Rosie. All right, so we're at 905s for OMER. We'll see if we bounce. That's a good girl. There she goes. That's a good girl. All right, so OMER bouncing a little bit. We're looking for the bounce. Up to 917s. The catalyst for OMER here. Yeah, the catalyst is that the company announced that it entered into a definitive agreement for the sale of a Midria subsidiary to Rayner Surgical Group Limited in a transaction valued in excess of $1 billion. So $1 billion transaction for OMER here. It's up to 914s. We are currently holding 20 shares. A float of about 60 million float. Oh, she's definitely full of energy. Hey, thank you, Maisha. I appreciate it. Yeah, she's cool, man. She's sleeping right now. She's not sleeping. She's chewing on a bone. But yeah. All right, so we're in OMER. We'll see what happens. Prague popping up too. Prague's almost to 290s here. DWAC at 5470s too. So we got some movement, to be honest. We got some movement. Yeah, she's sweet though. She's really kind of timid, but she warmed up already. She's doing good. I think Coach Kelly will be great, John. I hope he is at least. It's okay, girl. It's okay. That's a good girl. Yeah, right now she just needs a little bit of validation, a little bit of love. She'll be all right. All right, so we got 915s, 914s here. All right, there's 920s. Yeah, hey, thank you, Richard. I appreciate you, brother. Thank you, man. Great dog, bro. All right, so yeah, we're ripping up here. I guess I could have taken larger sizing if I really wanted to in hindsight, but it's all good. We're going to hopefully make some money from this. I mean, we're green slightly here. If we can break highs, then we're really talking. That's what I'm really hoping for. Somebody just sold a big-time position, though. So I wouldn't be surprised if a big guru's trading this right now. Somebody just unloaded a big-size position on OMER. It's not really a small float, though, so I doubt that's happening. There's probably no guru in this. I'm probably just frustrated it's dropping on me. Hey, what's up, Cal? All right, guys. So we're getting a drop. We're going to get out of this quick if it starts to really drop. All right, there's nines. We want to see a bounce at $9. That $9 support is really what we want to see here. So we'll see if it does. We're at 901s right now for OMER, holding small position of 20 shares. So OMER had $1 billion transaction of some sort. A billion with a B. Big transaction. What's up, Daniel? All right, so we're right at nines. Ideally, I'd love to see a bounce. We're right around break even again, which is good. Hopefully, we don't just tank quickly on me. That's not what we want to see. DWAC at 54.40s. Looking good. Let's see if it... I mean, it's holding over $50, which is the big thing here. I think $50 is a big psychological level that a lot of people are watching and waiting for. Have you ever had a trade that you made where you've said, oh snap, oh my, OMG, I can't believe that happened? Yeah, of course, man. I've been in a lot of crazy news. I've been trading for years and years. So I have been in a lot of craziness, to be honest. Before, I've been in a lot of craziness. A lot of weird stuff, a lot of craziness going on my side of the road. I've experienced it all in the trading world. I've gotten stuck in crazy downward halts. I've ridden up crazy momentum moves. Made a lot on Dogecoin, made some money on AMC. We've experienced a lot of fun moments in the market. So DCTH, yeah. See, Addy's just chilling here. Yeah, wow. Look at that rejection here. Whoa, what is DCTH doing here? Look at this. This is Delcath Health Systems. Delcath Health Systems. All right, so I'm probably going to be jumping out pretty soon under this level of 894 for OMER. I don't mind jumping back in it if it sets up nicely. I don't want to hold it through that. And if I lose in pre-market, this will be one of the few days in the last 2 weeks that I've lost in pre-market trading. I've been making money. Shout out to Pawn. Pawn's really the one that suggested I trade more actively there. Wait, are you out of your bed? You are. Oh, hey, that's a good spot for you. No. 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 Hey, baby girl, that's not for you. No, that's not for you, girl. No, this is not for you, but baby girl, here. You can't chew on that, girl. That's not for you, okay? That's a good job. All right. Yeah, Addie was chewing on my printer cord. Sorry, baby girl, that ain't for you. Homie, that's not for you, girl. It's okay. That's a good girl. All right. Yeah, for sure, Juan. 100%, brother. No, Addie. Here, come here. On the bed. Here, look at this. You like this? Yeah, there you go. Come on. what do you say? Good girl. Here. Here. There you go. That's a good girl. All right. Sorry, we're trying to calm Addie down a little bit. All right, so we did get a nice pop in OMER. So it looks like my risk level was the appropriate one. You can see I set the risk level of this here, and look at how we bounce off of that level. So it looks like my risk level is the appropriate one. DCTH completely reversed on us. What happened to CFVI? So CFVI is kind of back up here. So we're watching that. That one's worthwhile to pay attention to. All right, OMER dumping down again. Let's see if we bounce at 9. We got Prague pulling back some here as well. CVFI, we got a lot of stuff moving today. It's honestly a pretty interesting day. No, we have trading treats. We got all of that. Carol just didn't leave me with any right now. Yeah, well, what I said earlier, guys, so my mom is going to buy her sister, or I'm going to buy my mom her sister for Christmas. So I talked to my mom. My mom's the one that got me into the German Shepherds to begin with, because the best dog we ever had was a German Shepherd, and it was my mom's dog. So I talked to my mom, and my mom wants her sister. So I'm going to give my mom her sister for Christmas, and so she'll be able to have her sister. My mom lives like 5 minutes away from us, so she'll be able to see her sister regularly. All right, so OMER consolidating here at 915s, 920s. Yeah, for sure. All right, we're at 913s here for OMER. CFVI trying here. What about PHUN? It's consolidating around 390s. Prague dipping down some. Are you guys buying Prague? Yeah, my mom moved to the USA. Yeah, for sure. All right, so we're at 904s here. 904s. Like I said, I'm still using this as a risk, and even if I get stopped out, what I think, there's two situations I think could happen here. I think this could drop down to 875 and then bounce directly off of 875 and fake me out. But I also think there's a chance that we could bounce at 9 here. You know, if we drop below this 890 level, though, I just got to get out. There's too much risk there. This thing has a huge range. I don't want to get caught in it. But I'm hoping we bounce at 9. If not, and if it does bounce down to 875 and then hold support there, then I could jump back in it. We'll see. But either way, it's all good. But yeah, my mom moved back to Texas, so she moved, like 5 minutes away from us now. Oh, wait, where's the dog? Addie? Addie? Oh, there you are. Hey, baby girl. There's a good spot for you. Yes, okay. That's a good girl. All right, she's chilling right now. Good. Pawn, yeah, Grab has been very volatile today. Recent IPO, I believe this one IPO'd yesterday. Or no, this one IPO'd today. So Grab IPO today. No, the dog's here. She's in the corner sleeping. No, she probably is definitely gonna do it, Jason. I've already mentally prepared myself for that. It's all good. She's a puppy. I've raised puppies before. I know how it goes. I had a pit bull puppy that literally bit my dad's front door, the quarter of my dad's wooden front door off. And so puppies are puppies, man. I'm not having any delusions when it comes to what to expect. I know how it goes. So how do you say it's volatile? It hasn't even opened yet. Which one are you talking about? You're talking about Grab? Because it has a range just in pre-market of from $12 up to $16.50s, brother. pretty volatile, dude. It's pretty volatile, you know. Now, if that volatility is going to continue, I don't know. But I'm talking about volume and range. And in terms of volume and range for Grab, it's pretty high. You know, like I said, things got a huge range. All right, so we are getting a bounce here in OMER. Getting a bounce here. Yeah, all volatile means is it moves a lot. You know, it has a big range. It moves a lot. It's unpredictable, you know, moving a lot. And I think highs at 1650s, lows at 1220s would certainly count as volatile. No? No, Grab just IPO'd. Grab IPO'd, I think, this morning. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's open now. It's just a ticker change. It's trading. Okay, yeah, and again, it looks volatile. Larry, bro, to be honest, dude, you've been kind of weird the last week, man. No offense to you, Larry, but like you've been really moody, getting really kind of weird with me over a lot of different things. Like I appreciate you being here and all, but like if you're just sitting around waiting to disagree and argue, what's the purpose, brother? You know what I mean? Like just to be real. Listen, I like you being here and all, but like the only interactions you and I have really had over the last 2 weeks is you disagreeing with things and then getting upset about whatever. You know what I mean? So what's the purpose, brother? You know, what's the purpose? Hey, John, I wanted to say I've been watching all your videos on Big Get and copy trading, and they are awesome. I'm going to give it a try since I suck at day trading. Hey, good luck. Copy trading, you're certainly not guaranteed to make money, Surly. It's a tough thing, too. It's very difficult to make money copy trading as well. Yeah, you can buy it. I mean, but like I said, Larry, I'm going to give you a warning here, brother. If you're too argumentative, brother, you're eventually going to get banned. Just giving you a heads up, bro. Listen, I like you being here, but like if you're just kind of sitting around waiting to disagree and argue, then you're going to get banned eventually, brother. You know, just giving you a heads up. Like I said, this is the one warning I'm going to give you, bro. Anyways. Yeah. Hey, good luck, Aaron. Prague is up today. We'll see what happens. I'm in OMER here. Oh man, that shots fired, Lucas. Shots fired, bro. Hey, you're good, dude. LHDX, DWAC, DWAC's at 51s. We'll see if it bounces here. I'm honestly waiting to see what OMER does. Yeah, I don't know. But no, what I was going to say, Surly says, hey, you're about to get started with copy trading. If you're going to copy trade, I'll give you the advice that I wish I had in the beginning. Look to see how long the trader's been copy trading. If you can find a copy trader that's been doing it for over 3 months and has a proven history of trades, those are who you generally want to follow. I can't guarantee you're going to make money. There's the pop. All right, we took half off, but we caught the pop. We waited on it long enough for OMER. But there's the rip over the highs. Yeah, like I said, I'm not trying to be dramatic with Larry. It's just like I said, one day he got mad at me because I was trading the SPY, even though I was directly trading the SPY. You know, I was like trading the SPY. I wasn't pairs trading. I was just trading the SPY itself. And he got mad at me saying the SPY and the NASDAQ or whatever it was didn't follow each other. And I told him I was trading the SPY, and he acted like I was just arguing with him. And then the day before that, he got weird about something else. And then the day before that, he got something weird about that. So it's just kind of becoming a trend here, and it's kind of messing up the vibe, to be honest. So like I said, I like you, Larry. I appreciate you. But, you know, if all you're saying is disagreements and then getting mad at me if I disagree, then what's the purpose, brother? What's the purpose, man? Anyways, OMER at 930s. I took a little bit of profit. That'll protect me in the trade. If it pulls back to like 925, maybe we'll add a little bit more. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I add to this? I guess I could. I guess I'm a little bit worried it's going to slam down. We'll add 5 shares. We're not going to add a full position size here. Yeah, it's all love here. Like I said, I could just ban people and just not say anything, but I'm gonna give them a warning because I like Leary and all. But it's just one of those things where if the vibe's getting messed up, the vibe's getting messed up. All right, we're at 940s. What's up, Tiny? Hey, and Surly, just remember, like I said, if in my humble opinion, just be sure to set stop losses when you copy trade. Copy trading can be profitable. There's a lot of incredibly profitable traders there. Just set stop losses. Set stop losses, analyze which traders have been there the longest, and stick with them. They're usually going to be your best bet. Hey, for sure, Yuchi. I got you, bro. That's what I'm trying to do. And if you want to check out Big Giz, there's the link. I don't usually post it this early, but since somebody... Yeah, no, it's all good to disagree. I'm not mad at people for disagreeing play. But, like, if all you're doing is disagreeing, and then you're getting mad at me because I disagree with you, then it's just turning into, like, a bad vibe. You know what I mean? All right, so we got another pop-up here. We're going to take a little bit more off there. I don't know if it's a good time to buy Dip Mojo. I hope it is, but, like, I don't know. All right, we're going to get out of most of that there. And again, we're green in pre-market again. This brings us to green in pre-market. I probably should scale up a little bit more, but, like, we've been very profitable in pre-market. And I think it's starting to get to the point where I should be scaling up in size. DWC has room to drift back to 55s. Right, I'll have stop losses. Yeah, I think that's the right move, certainly. I think just be sure to set stop losses. That's the safest way to do it. If when I'm copy trading, I'm always setting a stop loss. The other thing is you analyze the range. All right, so we are popping up on OMER. It looks good. We're gonna get out here and just take a little small profit. Kevin, I'm not. Like I said, the only way I'll ban anybody here, guys. Most of the time, I'm going to give them a bunch of chances. The only way I'm going to ban somebody is if they turn toxic. If they turn toxic and they're just moody and weird and mad at me for whatever reason, then I'll ban somebody. But as long as as long as you could disagree with me as well, but as long as it's a good mix, like if you're positive and happy and chill, but then disagree sometimes, that's fine. All right, look at OMER. So I got out right in time. Wow, look at that. Wow, look at that. I got out right in time for OMER. I guess what I'm trying to say is there needs to be balance, And I mean, be honest, what we were arguing about doesn't really make sense. I mean, grab is obviously open right now. It's obviously moving, I think. Or maybe not. Let me see. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's obviously moving. It's obviously open. This candle was, yeah. All right. All right, so OMER at 9s. Pull it back some. I don't know if it's going to hold. We'll see. CFVI was the other one we're looking at, and then Prague as well. Are y'all buying any of these? I'm a little bit mad I didn't hold through CFVI. I think I could have held through that one. Yeah, maybe Eli. Perfect timing. Thank you, Joe. Yeah, I got out just in time. Nice, Richard. Great exit, brother. You got out right at the top, dude. Congrats, brother. Am I buying the OMER dip? No, not right now. The dip's too large. Somebody just unloaded some big size. And so I'd rather not get stuck in that. That is the question, Pawn, to be honest. The question is, do you rebuy this dip? Are you going to buy the dip again? I don't know. Yeah, she's right here. She's sleeping on the floor right now, Tiny. I'll show you when she wakes up a little bit. She'll get up in a second, but I don't want to wake her up right now because the last time she was up, she was walking around chewing on my printer cord, and like I don't want her to disconnect the live stream. So we're just gonna wait, Yeah, we should get a German Shepherd emoji. Yeah, I'll think about it. I'll try. I could probably make one. All right, guys. So glad I didn't buy this last dip on OMER. We'll see what happens. But CFVI is up to 1320s. Hey, thank you, my man Ray. Thank you, brother. Hey, I appreciate you, brother. Yeah, she's sleeping right now. She's sleeping on the floor, staring at me, making sure I'm here with her. Thank you, Ray. Welcome to the team, brother. I appreciate you, bro. What about Apple? I hear a lot of people talking about Apple. There's Grab. We're at 158.70s here for Apple. Apple tanked. What happened here? Does anybody know? What happened to Apple? All right, so Apple, we got a few people talking about this. Warning suppliers of iPhone 13 demand is slowing. So iPhone 13 demand is slowing down for Apple is the catalyst here. Hey, you know. Yeah, Apple took a poop. Negative negative iPhone 13 report. Making everybody skeptical of Apple here. And maybe we'll have a little dip buy here. I tend to like Apple long term. And so maybe we'll get a little dip buy involved here and see what happens. Lighting a new candle. Yeah, dude, I just think Samsung's so much better than Apple. Like, I'm a Samsung user. I don't know how many people have used my phone, like my kids and my wife included. They've used my phone and they've been like, this is so much better than Apple. And I'm like, I know. The biggest thing Apple has going for it is the vetting it does in the Apple App Store, as well as the connectivity of its products. The connectivity is great in its products, but I think Samsung is a better phone. And I think people in the US don't understand the fact that a large majority of the rest of the world uses Samsung. So like most of the rest of the world uses Samsung and Google Play Store. Most of the world doesn't use Apple. It's a small percentage of people. Yeah, DWAC fell. Again, I think $50 is the bounce level we've been talking about. So $50 I think is a big psychological level, and we'll see if it holds over this here. Big psychological level. $50 level as well. Apple gang. I mean, honestly, I've thought about getting an Apple. The connectivity of Apple makes me kind of think about it. CFVI pulling back here, thinking about it. OMER dumping down. We're still looking at Prague. Was really thinking about buying the dip in Prague too. Yeah, I have the Z Fold 2, and it's still working pretty nicely here. I've got the Z Fold, which is the foldable phone from Samsung. Really dope. Really dope. Yeah, the connectivity is still the connectivity of Apple is a huge plus, though. It really is. It's a huge plus. I mean, the fact that I can get an Apple Watch and that connects to my Apple phone. I know I can do it with Samsung as well. Apple just has really good marketing, and so they market like the AirPods really well to the younger generation. So all the kids, oh, I want AirPods, you know. When it's like you can get a better pair of headphones for cheaper, but like the cool thing to do is to get AirPods. And so all the young kids want AirPods. And if they don't have AirPods, then all the other kids judge them for it or whatever it is. That is where Apple is smart because they're really good at marketing to the younger generation, even though I think they have somewhat inferior products a lot of the time. Less free products as well. You can't, you can't download anything that you want like you can on Samsung. You know, I can download emulators from Samsung. I can download music players, emulators, free music, all that good stuff from Samsung Play Store, Google Play Store. I can on Apple. And so it's less free of a phone too. But the connectivity is what a lot of people really shoot for. As a programmer, even like one of the things, like I'm obviously biased towards Samsung, and I have a Google Play listed app. You know, the Squeeze app is listed on the Google Play Store, right? You can download the Squeeze app here. It gives you free short float data and information, all for free. Super easy to use. You just type in the symbol here, guys. I don't think I have it up anymore, but you just type in the symbol. It'll tell you free short float data and information. And again, you can download that right here. But what people don't understand is that most people use Google Play. A large majority of people in the world do, like especially overseas. The only people that really use Apple are here in the US, and it's certainly a smaller percentage of people that use it worldwide as opposed to Google Play and Samsung products in general, Android products in general, I mean. Yeah. Apple's too proprietary. All right, so yeah, CFVI, yeah, they're like Robinhood compared to Webull. That's actually a really good correlation, I think. That's very true too. Is that most people use Robinhood, even though Webull is a better platform. Than, no offense, in my personal opinion, Webull's a vastly more efficient, better, more useful platform than Robinhood. But Robinhood's just well known, and so it's what new traders go for. You know, same thing with Apple. Shots fired, I guess, to all the Apple users. I like Apple, don't get me wrong. Carol has Apple. Madison, my daughter, has Apple phones. So they're still good products, don't get me wrong. I'm just kind of talking a little smack. Anyways, back to stocks. We got Prague pull it back. It's at 280s. We've got CFVI bouncing at 13s. This little dip buy looked good. I should have bought that maybe. DWAC and PHUN. We'll see if they bounce here. They're at 380s. Vote on the poll right now. We're completely split on this poll, guys. Listen, we've got 500 votes on this poll right now, and the poll is asking, are you buying or trading DWAC and PHUN today? I already have. I made some money on DWAC, but are you buying or trading it? We're completely split down the middle. We have 50 yes and 50 no votes. Let us know. Speak your minds here in chat, guys. Vote on the poll. Let us know. Are you buying or trading DWAC and or fund today? Let us know. Most of the market is actually not Apple, Mojo. If you look at, like, watch. Yeah, 53% of all Apple mobile users are under the age of 35. So basically, once you're older and smarter, you're going to use a Samsung. Maybe you're right. I don't know. I'm looking at the stats here. Maybe y'all are right. And listen, if I'm wrong here, and I'll admit it. Let me see. Maybe I'm talking out my butt right now. Maybe y'all are right. Okay, actually, Samsung is ahead. Samsung was ahead in 2004. Let's see if we can find a newer graph here. 2021. I gotta imagine Apple probably passed them up then. Let me see. Samsung is like right at the top, but it's... Oh, I know Samsung is a more popular mobile brand for sure. Look at CFVI. CFVI moving up. Yeah, Jarrett, eh? What's up, Slade? Hey, what's up, brother? What are you chewing on over here, pup?
You okay? Yes, okay.
That's a good girl. That's a good girl. She's a good dog. All right. PHUN, yeah, PHUN, DWAC bouncing right at $50 here. We got CFVI here. I'm a little bit tempted to buy some more of CFVI on this move. Let me buy a little bit. We'll buy 10 shares. No, not yet. Let's buy a little bit. We'll buy 10 shares on this pop. We'll see if we hold over 13. If we don't, oh my goodness, man, y'all saw that? If we don't hold over 13, we'll just get out again, and then which is all good. You know, if we don't hold over 13, we'll just jump out. All right, guys. I'm gonna make another post in our Discord about the stream. All right, guys, so we're up a little bit here. I don't know what to do. I guess we'll take a little bit off just to protect the trade. We'll take that. We'll see if we pop up some more here. Slightly green again today. We're up about 10, 15 bucks, which we'll take. You know, we've been very green in pre-market, man. Surprisingly green. So, like, the trades I've been making have been working in pre. So I think maybe I should trade pre larger and larger sizing. What kind of sizing do you think I should scale up to? I mean, I think the reason I'm trading small is because the range is huge in these stocks, but I've been really accurate. You know, I've been really accurate. We've probably gotten into what, like 10 or no, not 10, like 4, 5 pre-market trades, and we've made money on all of them except for one, which was CFVI here. Just kind of scalping some moves. Yeah, we're up almost $15 right now, so we'll buy it again if it pulls back some. We're just attacking that range. And again, what you guys see is I'm attacking a range. So I'll buy these breaks here, but I'm buying the pullbacks instead. Like, instead of just buying it blindly as it breaks these highs, I'm instead going to buy these dips, these pullbacks here, if that makes sense. It usually works really well. John, have you bought any NFTs? So yeah, so I actually own a lot of Top Shot NBA NFTs. All right, guys, here. I need you guys' suggestion on this. All right, I need you guys' suggestion. Okay, what do you guys think? I'll do whatever you guys tell me to do. All right. But I had an editor on Fiverr yesterday. And this editor promised me, first of all, we kind of haggled a little bit and like kind of, you know, we tried to agree on a price. I needed him to edit a 10-minute video for me, like a 10-minute video. And I told him, hey, look, I need it soon. And if you can't do it within the next 12 hours, I don't want it because I need somebody that can do it with 12 hours. And it's fine. I'm not mad at you if you can't do it. But like, I need somebody to do it in 12 hours for me and get this video back so I can make it, so I can go live. Right? It was the metaverse video that we dropped yesterday. And really, I was testing out editors. And I had this one guy from overseas, and he was like, yeah, I can do it. But he was like, but if you need it in 12 hours, it's going to be $80 or $75. And I was like, fine, done. And he got kind of weird with me because he was like, 12 hours. And I was like, look, I can pay you more. Originally it was 50. And he was like, hey, if you need it in 12 hours, it's going to be 75. And I was like, okay, fine, done. You know, and I paid him on Fiverr, and he literally took a day and a half to send me this video. Right? He literally took me a day and a half, and he was kind of rude in the process. He didn't even apologize. He didn't even give me an update. I had to go to a different editor who I paid $50, and they got me the video to me in like 12 hours, you know, and I ended up using their edit of it instead. I'm not even using this dude's edit. I just wasted $70, but I really wanted to test out editors to see which ones were good and which ones aren't. And I'm obviously realizing this dude isn't good. Now, I'm not going to get a refund. I'm just going to let him keep it. I'm just never going to use him again. But should I leave him? Right now, I have a 3-star rating. I think 3 stars is fair. And I said, seller told me he'd have it to me in 12 hours, and I paid a premium for that. He ended up taking longer than 24, which is what the gig said in the first place. So it was supposed to be in a maximum of 24 hours. I ended up ordering the same video from somebody else for half the price, and they got it to me within, 12 hours. It was a simple 8-minute, just chopping out the pauses. What should I do? Should I leave this guy a bad review, or should I just not mess with that karma and just not do anything? Should I just move on with my life and not leave this man a bad review? Or should I give him a bad review based off of principle? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Should I leave him a bad review? And honestly, he was kind of rude in the process. Like, I'm not one to leave people bad reviews. I'm really not one to leave people bad reviews. But like, this guy kind of deserves it, man. He kind of deserves it. At the same time, though, like, listen, man, I don't know what he's going through over there. He might really need the money. And like, I'm not even going to use his video. But I kind of feel like, just like, at first I was like, yeah, I'm going to leave him a 2-star review and kind of tell everybody what he did. But then I'm like, maybe that's not the right move. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, it's your duty to leave a bad review because it's up to others. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm feeling too. Joel says, for me personally, I just like to protect my karma and move on. I'm kind of the same, man. I'm kind of the same. Like, I'm not really one to like leave people bad reviews. Like I said, I don't know what he's going through. He might really need the money. I'm really blessed over here. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. I would want to do it and then never do it. That's kind of where I'm swinging too. Yeah. Yeah. You paid $75 for 12 hours. Yeah. That's kind of how I feel too. He might do the same thing to others. That's the only thing. Yeah, that's the only thing. But I don't know, man. Yeah, this is the only thing. No review, then the trend will continue. I also don't want this dude to get weird with my YouTube channel because I sent him a video from the channel. And so he knows what my channel is. I don't want him to be like, oh, this dude destroyed my Fiverr business. You know, now I'm going to go, you know, chronically dislike his videos. Yeah. Yeah, I guess y'all are right. Well, he definitely kind of scammed me. He told me 12 hours, guaranteed me 12 hours, and then gave it to me in like 30 hours. So over twice as long as he said. Never even warned me about it. Never said anything. I stressed the importance of getting it to me fast. And like, he just took the high price and then just didn't do it. It was a simple edit too. Didn't need any fancy transitions. I didn't even tell him to add music. Like, I added music myself. I really just needed him to chop out the pauses. Like edit the errors in the video and zoom in when necessary. That's it. Yeah, that's all I needed. Write a fair review. Yeah, that's kind of how I feel, Juan, to be honest. So like, I guess I'll wait. I guess I won't do it. You know, I'll just move on. Yeah. I don't know. I'll give it a day and just wait and see what I do. I might just contact Fiverr and get a refund and just not leave a review at all. You know. There's 13s for CFVI. Should I buy this dip more? What should I do here? What do you guys think? Hey, well, listen. If y'all are I'm looking for editors. You know, so listen. If you can edit a video for me. Most videos are going to be less than 10 minutes. I just need somebody to cut out the errors, cut out the pauses, and zoom in when I'm showing something on screen. That's all I need. I'll pay you, you know, $40 a video. You know. Yeah. All right, guys. So, hey, CFVI bouncing at 1350. Should I buy this dip? I don't see how CFVI doesn't run, at least from here. It's a gamble. It's always a gamble. We'll see. I like the $13 bounce level. Look, I even accentuated it here. I mean, and we did pull back to 1320s And so we bounce directly off of that level. And again, it goes back to like, guys, having a firm grasp of technical analysis is going to be the right path for most traders, right? Like a lot of people memorize strategies and they memorize these really specific strategies. Instead, you want to just learn how to chart things. If you can learn how to chart, you're going to do better. You're going to do better. And that's what you do. Yeah, I need a young Jamie like Joe Rogan. That's right. But yeah, message me, Mirage, if you can edit for me. I'll pay you 50 a video too if they're good. You know, and if you can get it, the biggest thing, I'll pay you 60 if you can get them to me fast. If you can get me the video done in like 8 hours, I'll give you 60 per video. Yeah, for sure, Mirage. Email me, brother. Yeah, we'll see. DWAC bouncing at that $50 level we mentioned a bunch. Prague finally pulling back down some. Who's that? Who's that, buddy? Hey, it's her. It's okay. Hey, baby girl. Come here. Here, let me show Tiny the doggy. Hey, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Oh, goodness. Oh, my goodness. This is Rosie, or Addie. She's a German Shepherd puppy, 11 weeks old. She's sweet. Hey, baby girl. It's all right. Yeah, that's a good girl. That's a good girl. All right.
She's ready to come to me.
Yeah. She sees Carol in here. She just wants to run to Carol. All right. There you go, good girl. Yeah, that's a good dog. She chilled there. She slept. She chilled. She ate her bone. So she's good. Hey, thank you guys. Yeah. Nah, she'll be good. All right, so CFVI here at 1340s. Yeah, thank you guys. Yeah, she's cool. She's cool. All right, so 1350s here for CFVI. 1350s. We'll see what happens. Yeah, it's probably time for her to go out. How many videos do you have? I mean, I usually am going to publish at least 6 a month, 6 to 8 a month, maybe more than that if you can get them to me quick. Like, if you could help me put out videos fast, I'll probably be able to do 10 to 15 a month, and I'll still pay you the same amount each video. All right, so CFVI at 1350s, DWAC finally cracking under $50 here, under 50. PHUN down to 360s, Prague at 270s. Yeah. Yeah, CFVI warrants are cheaper, you said? Let's check out the warrants. I haven't looked at the warrants for this one. Yeah, look at the warrants here, guys, for CFVIW or CFVI warrants here. If you put the W in front of it or at the end of it. Here's the warrants, guys, and the warrants are volatile too. Warrants up to 424s right now for CFVIW. Let's see DWAC warrants, see what they're doing right now. They're down to 17. The warrants, let's look at fun warrants. Does fun even have, yeah, they have warrants too. Okay, so yeah, these are all the warrants for DWAC, PHUN, and CFVI. CFVI looking interesting for sure. I'm the type that I tend to just trade the actual stock, but some of you might like to trade the warrants. They're cheaper, more volatile sometimes. OMER, yeah, Prague's still pulling back to 275. Let's see if OMER ever rebounds here. Glad I didn't buy this dip too. Glad I didn't buy the dip that we talked about. Yeah, thank you, Force. Yeah. Yeah, there's ELOX. CMMB. Look at CMMB. It's at 980s. It's trying to come back up too. Yeah, here's CFVI warrants here. They're starting to creep back up with CFVI. Let's see what happens. It's definitely worthwhile to watch. Now there's 1370s here, 1370s. DWAC big pop. Yeah, it's back over $50. And I kept telling you guys, $50 is a big level. Like $50 is what a lot of people are going to be watching. You know. Hey, that's a dope tattoo pawn. I love it. I love it, bro. That's dope. Oh, can I put the symbol in the middle of the screen, John Bianchi? Got you, brother. Okay, I see what you mean now. I might be able to. I don't know. Does anybody know how to put the symbol in the middle of the screen? Does anybody know how to do that? I don't know how to do that. If you guys know how to do it on TOS, let me know. This is what he means. Like, this is what he means. Does anybody know how to do this on TOS, where you put the symbol in the middle of the screen like that? Does anybody know? Yeah, it's a German Shepherd pup. All right, so we have DWAC back over $50 here. So we're back over 50 for DWAC. Yeah. Yes, go to tool and water market. Okay, got you. Let me see. There's got to be some way to do this, no? How weird would that chart background be? No, that would never work. I kind of like that, though. All right. All right, guys. I see BRTX trying to spike up a little bit here. NIO's testing lows. SPY is testing 450 as well. Prague is testing previous closing price, too. But look at CFVI making moves. CMMB is kind of running as well. The only green ones now in pre-market really that are worth talking about are what about CTK, our CFVI, DWAC, and PUN. PHUN. AMC got hammered last night. It's kind of back up a little bit today though, so we'll see if that continues. Yeah, I don't see anything else. Only when you run two charts. Got you. SQ is playing the name change game. You know, there's SQ. It's a slower day right now. We don't actually have a lot of stuff moving. SQ. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I think that's probably accurate. We'll see. Like I said, guys, if you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button. It's definitely a slower day, to be honest now. That happens. It's all good. Not a lot of stuff moving. We've traded sub. We're green in pre-market again, man. And listen, honestly, that makes like every day this week we're green in pre-market. Every freaking day in pre-market this week we've been green. So we'll see if we can keep that up. There's $14 for CFVI. So maybe I should have bought this dip again. Here's DWAC ripping. Yeah, week's been pretty slow all around, to be honest. Kind of a dull, slower day, but it's all good either way, you know. Everything moves in waves. Like sometimes market will be slow, sometimes views will be low, and then when we get a big catalyst, everything will heat back up, and then it'll slow down. The market just moves in waves, guys. That's part of it. That's kind of how it goes, and you just got to move with it sometimes, not force things when it's not favorable. And yeah, when it is favorable, you know, you attack. And that's your job as a trader, is to kind of condition yourself to be that way. Yeah, if you can condition yourself to be that way, then you're going to be doing good. All right, guys. Hey, we got 9 minutes here. What's your favorite stock right now? Let's talk about it. You know, I know we got Lucid, a few other things too. Your favorite stock so far this morning, guys? Let me know. Just leave an honest review. Say it was delivered past the deadline. To be honest, I don't know, man. I'm trying to be the nice guy here. I really am with the review. Like, I guess I'm going to wait a little bit and then reevaluate it. I might also just push for a refund and just not leave any review. I don't know, though. Let me know what you guys think, I guess, but. ABUS. Yeah, here's ABUS. And ABUS is super volatile too. This one is super interesting as well. We'll see how this one goes. It's at $5 right now. We'll see if it bounces at the VWAP and holds over VWAP. Ideally, I just want to see it over VWAP. BENE. It's a Thursday too, so the market's generally a little bit slower on Thursday. BGFV. All right, guys. So we got BGFV. It's quiet and slow today, too. We got DWAC. Sorry, I kind of sent the guy a message. Yeah, I need to do something. I sent the guy a message. I said, hey, man, I can't even use this. You said 12 hours, and it took longer than 24. I ended up going with somebody else. You didn't even let me know it would take longer, and I sat there waiting for it. You know what I mean? So, like, he should understand that. My guess is he'll just sign off, which he just did. He put it in Z. been sleeping, but you know, you got scammers like that. But it is what it is. All right, guys, 5 minutes. Yeah, I wish I could buy stock at LSU. LSU next year, we're gonna be the GOAT, hopefully. Hopefully we will. You know. All right, so DWIC back up. CFVI pulling back to 1350s. We'll see if we bounce off of that level. PTN. Yeah, 5 minutes, guys. Yeah, Apple. Are you buying the Apple dip? That's a good question. Are you buying the Apple dip, guys? Let us know. Interesting dip. Here's Apple right here. We got some volatility. Look at DWAC back up here. DWIC up to 5220s right now. PHUN back up to 370s. What about the other one moving that's following? Those two are Mark. Mark's at 124s right now. Yeah. All right, so I guess I already completed the order. All right, guys, we got 2 minutes. All right, guys. All right, guys, there's the opening bell. We got CFVI at 14s, guys, at 14s. We have DWAC at 5190s. All right, there's 1390s. Let's see what happens, guys. What are you guys watching right now? Let me get this out the way. All right. So, what's up, T? Yeah, it's time to be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. 100%. Warren Buffett, the man. PHUN dipping down. DWAC dipping down. CFVI is dipping down a little bit. Let's take a look at the SPY itself. I'm also going to put the scanners up to see what's going on. The SPY is bouncing up a little bit here, so maybe we can approach that and make some money with that. Again, I'm going to go with the plan that I had yesterday of taking things very, very slow and waiting to attack the market. I might attack penny stocks early, but I think if I attack the SPY itself, I'm going to wait a little while and wait for a trend to really confirm before I do. And I ended up leaving him a 3-star review, guys, for everybody that wondering. All I said was that the seller promised me 12 hours, had an attitude, and maybe pay a premium of $75, promising me it would be within 12 hours. Just simple editing errors. It ended up taking over 30. He never updated me, never alerted me, and by this time I had to go with somebody else who did it for half the price. He misled me, promised me an earlier time, and didn't get it to me before the 24-hour deadline that I paid a premium for. And so 3-star review, I think, is just, justifiable. But anyway, CFVI at 1350s, 1360s. I kind of feel bad about it, though. You know, I don't know what I'm going to do. Maybe I'll delete it. I don't know. Here's PHUN at 360s. The SPY is at 450s. CFVI is at 1380s. All right, CFVI, we move over this previous high of the day at 1438 right there. We might buy a little bit of that dip. We're looking at PHUN as well. The SPY just got rejected at the VWAP, but we'll see if it breaks and holds over that. And we'll see what happens. Yeah, I think 3 stars is generous, to be honest. I think I'm being nice to him. And I'm not, like I said, I'm not a carrot, man. Like, I don't like leaving reviews. I don't like leaving bad reviews. Only when it's really justifiable will I. And I still feel bad about it when I do. Anyways, EXPR, PHUN. EXPR at 380s, 390s. All right, ISPC. Yeah, here's the XPR dipping down. It looks interesting. CFVI is dumping down. We'll see that what happens there. ISPC ripping up to $16 a share now. Let's see what happens, guys. A lot of downward action. Prog's starting to fight its way back up. So look at Prog. Here's PROG. Prog is up to 368. Let's see if it breaks over that previous closing price and maybe gives us a red to green move. I'm a little bit tempted to buy ISPC here on this dip, but it's a fast and a big dip here, so I think I'm just going to wait. The SPY is just kind of consolidating right now. There's no real trend yet, and I think I'll have to wait for that. But look at Prog. Prog's at 260s. We got almost 500 people here, which is nice. So, hey, hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't already. Even on slow days, we're still hitting almost 500. So smash that like and subscribe button, guys. Yeah, he can. Right, exactly. I guess that's how I feel, Ed. I think I'm being nice, though. Like, I think I could very easily, justifiably give him a 1-star review. Or give them a half-a-star review or whatever and just be like, look, this dude lied to me and took my money. But instead, I'll be nice and give him 3. But yeah. Yeah, that's the only way I'm justifying it in my head. Day trading. I don't like I said, I don't know what he's going through. I don't know what his situation in life is. So I usually try to give him the benefit of a doubt. But yeah, so I think 3 stars is fair. All right, so I might buy a little bit of ISPC here. Ah, no. Oh, my gosh, bro. This is the most frustrating fill ever, dude. I completely missed out on this, man. Oh, it hurts, dude. I was literally trying to buy it right here at 1570s, literally right before I bought it, right before I clicked the buy button. it just ripped up, man. Oh, it hurts to see. It hurts to see. Maybe it'll be profitable anyway, but man, hurts to see. Prague's starting to push back up. It's at 270s. Yeah, he probably is a scam artist. Honestly, I haven't even looked at his video, though. Maybe it's the best video ever. I don't know. But, like, something tells me it's not. All right, so, hey, ISPC's ripping up here. So, I mean, I didn't catch the green that I wanted. Oh, my gosh, dude. If I miss out on this profit, I'm going to be mad. All right, so we took the profit. We made some money. It could have been twice this, but like, hey, we made some money on ISPC. Are we getting halted up here? No? 20s? 24s? 25s? 30s? Hey. All right, so we made a little bit of money. Prague is moving up. It could have been twice that much. I just missed it. AMC, what's AMC doing, guys? PHUN dipping down. We'll look for reversals there. AMC flying up, guys. Let's see if a pullback to 30 happens here for AMC. Let's see if we get a pullback to $30. AMC, rip it up. They don't accept U.S. users anymore, John. So, yeah, they just don't accept U.S. users anymore, brother. SPY is flying up here. I wonder if AMC's following the SPY, but the SPY ripped. Huge move on the SPY. Completely out of nowhere, too. Some type of catalyst happened, or what? Let's see what the reasoning is for this here for the SPY. The SPY just made a huge rip. Gary Gensler is tweeting about the advisory committee meeting. Okay, so crude numbers just came out, but that came out like 30 minutes ago, so that's not this. I guess Gary Gensler, SEC Chairman Gary Gensler tweeted about the Investor Advisory Committee meeting today. All right, so ISPC, glad to get out of what I did. AMC ripping up. Prague, if we pull back to 270s, we might buy that dip. Maybe if we pull back to 270s. Prague ripping up, though. Looks good. Yeah, AMC flying up. No, so John, right now, just to update you, brother, I am trading a $30,000 TD Mayer Trade Thinkorswim account. So yeah, I trade a 30K account, margin account on TOS. So I have no PDT where I can long, short, whatever I want, really. PHUN? Yeah, what just dropped for the market here? Something happened. Let's look at the S&P, the SPX. Yeah, the only thing I see is a tweet from Gary Gensler about the SEC Investor Advisory Committee meeting. Now, should I buy AMC here? Should I buy AMC, guys? Let me know. ISPC is just not looking that high. What was a CFVI? Look at IGC. IGC flying up here. You know what? We'll buy this dip for AMC. We'll get 25 shares. We'll buy this pullback. Hopefully it doesn't slam down fast on us. And it did, kind of. That's not good. No bueno. AMC volatile here, guys. Under 30.50, I think I'm just going to jump out. 55, 56s. Consolidating here, roughly break even for AMC. Prague still moving up. There's 30.60s. We break under 30.50, I think we're just going to jump out. Hey, there you go. Taking a little bit off there. Man, I got to scale up in size. We're getting ready to take some larger swings for sure, but we're in AMC right now. We took most of it off. We'll let the rest run. If it breaks under 30.50, we'll get out break even. All right, so AMC bouncing up, so it looks like it ripped it. So then the guy sent me a message, said, I am sorry for late sending. I said, I understand, but you made me pay $75 for 12 hours and then took 30 hours. Not really ethical, to be honest. Honestly, I'm being nice, leaving a 3-star review. I could have left 1 star because I didn't even use the video. I needed it out sooner, so I had to go with someone else. Just be honest with people is what I told him, you know? Anyways, PHUN running. Yeah, so here goes AMC ripping up. Prague flying up. Oh, yeah, I think you mean Prague. Prague running up. I should have bought this dip at 275. That looked like a really nice dip. DWAC pulling back a little bit here. What's the market doing right now? Ooh, market's volatile. That's good. You know, Prague flying up. Maybe I'll buy a little pullback in Prague. I guess I approached this the right way. I told the guy the truth, you know. He is from Pakistan. But again, I mean, I'm not going to get a review. I'm not going to get a refund. I'll just leave it at that and just be honest with him. And a 3-star review is justifiable, I think. I didn't leave him a 1 star. I should have. You know, I didn't even use the video, so I just wasted $75 on him. But Prague is up to 290s. It's all good. It happens. Whatever. Prague ripping up, guys. Flying up here. BFRI in a halt? Really? Look at Prague. Prague ripping up. BFRI's flying up too, man. Honestly, really volatile day so far. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think he speaks that well of English, to be honest. He said, I understand, but I promised I can't late in future. So I don't know how good his English is anyway. So it's all good, man. I don't know what he's going through. I think 3 stars is justifiable. And I could have left him a 1 star since I just wasted the money anyway. But it's all good, man. Like I said, I don't know what he's going through. I'll just leave it at that. I'll let him keep the money. It's all good. Like, whatever. I'm very blessed in my situation, you know. So it's all good. Yeah, these halts have been a little sketch. BFRI should resume at 8:30s or at 8:36 at 9:41. BFRI should resume. Or no, it didn't resume. It must be a 10-minute halt. So at 9:46 is when it should resume. Fiverr. Roblox is flying. Here goes Prague pulling back. I might buy the 280 dip. I don't know. We'll see. BFRI should resume at 46 at 9:46 market time. It's currently 9:44 market time. So we'll see when it resumes. When it comes to my money, full Karen mode here. Yeah, I feel you. I get it. I don't know, man. You know, like, to be honest, I'm just in a very blessed situation. Like, you know, I'm in a very blessed situation to where I can work from home full time and make more than the median income of the United States. You know what I mean? The median household income in the United States. And so I'm very blessed to be in this situation. And I guess I should feel that I shouldn't be so rigid on people because of that, and that I should just let it go and let them keep the money, even though I'm not using the video, and like count my blessings. You know what I mean? I guess that's how I feel about it. And I don't know. But anyways. All right, we got Prague pull it back. The question is, do I buy this Prague dip? I think I might buy a little bit just to test it out. Like, we need like 100 shares here. No, every time I do this, I got to remember to switch these over here. Hey, thank you, Richard. I appreciate it, bro. Thank you, man. All right, so we're in Prague. If it breaks under 285 or so, we'll probably jump out, which is all right. I'm going to buy a little bit of the SPY itself if I can get out. Where's the TIF? Man, dude. Honestly, me forgetting to switch my TIF over is hurting me today. All right, we're in the SPY itself. First SPY position. We waited 15 minutes, which is the plan, so that we can let the trends play out a little bit better. Currently, we're up slightly on the day here. We're up like 15 bucks. Again, under this, we'll exit. Yeah, we're getting out. Too much risk. We'll jump back in Prague if it sets up. If it dips down to 280, we'll buy back into it. Currently in the SPY itself. Huge rip in the market here. We're going to add to the SPY here. We're going to use 453.50 as our risk. So we're going to add to it, but we're going to give ourselves a tighter risk here so that we can hopefully catch an easier pop and not need as much range. All right, we took half off. Scalp it a little bit more here. And now we're only on 10 shares, so it's not going to be the end of the world anymore. Maybe Prague faked me out. I said 285. We got down to 284, so just a slight fake out. But what this means is that my risk levels are pretty spot on, though, which is good. Nice. All right, so we caught the SPY rip. We're up about 20 on the day. We're starting to get to the point where we might start scaling up in size a little bit now. Prague back over that 285 level. We might buy a little bit of this again. I don't know. We'll wait for Prague. Anything else running that I'm missing that I don't see? I see TC, TEDU, TEDU, no. DFFN, BKKT. Look at DFFN at 38.40 cents. Ah, man, maybe I'm going to regret this. All right, so we're going to take a little bit larger size now with Prague. We dipped down to 287s. Here we'll add another 100 or 200 shares is what I'm looking at. So we're looking for a little pullback that we can add into down to 287 for Prague. 100 shares currently. We'll add some more if it dips. If not, we'll just take the gain. But ideally, we want to add to it. Get a little bit larger size. There's the dip. All right, cool. All right, so we got the dip. 89 is our entry, which isn't bad. Maybe another 100 shares we'll add to it. Trying to scale up in size a little bit. SPY still testing highs here, which is great. Look at DFFM just rip up. CVFI. What did CVFI end up doing? CVFI didn't do anything. EXPR? Look at EXPR, guys. Express. What about AMC? AMC pulling back some here. Okay. All right, let's see if we get a pop here for Prague. SPY just rip it up. Just rip it up big. All right, so we were almost about to take a little bit of profit on there for Prague, but we'll wait. Might add 50 so we can take profit in increments of 125 share amounts. All right, so we are in with 250, and then we can do a 125 increments. AMC popping up, Express here. All right, that's all good. SPY dipping down a little bit. We'll buy some of that too. I like the SPY dip. 20 shares. Trying to manage both of these at once, so bear with me. All right, this is the risk right here, 284s. $286s for Prague. AMC dipping down a little bit. I really like this AMC dip, to be honest here. So we're going to buy a little bit of AMC too. All right, we're in too many positions right now. 20 shares of AMC, small. And hopefully one of these works out for us. All right, there we go. There's a nice bounce back up in Prague. The SPY trade is doing okay. AMC is pretty small, which is fine. All right, so we're break even in a lot of these. Prague, we're close to break even here. Right around break even. Okay, good. Green. We're going to get out of AMC pretty soon here. I guess if we break under that, we'll get out of AMC. Take a little bit off there on the SPY itself. Take a little bit off there on AMC, and then EXPR is ripping up with it. All right, nice with the SPY. And get out there. Still in AMC, still in Prague, PROG. Prague looks good. AMC will take a little bit more off just to protect the trade some. And then with now that we're out of most of these larger positions here, I guess we'll let this run. All right, we're now green. We're going to take a little bit off here. It might be a little premature for Prague, but I'd like to end green on all these trades. And so, yeah. Take a little bit more off for Prague there, catching the rip. So we were right about every single one of these trades. So you love to see it, to be honest. We were already red in Prague prior to that, so, you know, we're okay. Here, we ended up getting green on all of them now, which is, you know, good to see. Small little wins add up. And so we're going to build up a cushion and then swing a little bit more once we build up some. All right, so we're going to get out there. So, all right, we're up almost $40 today, which is pretty good. All of those trades ended up working out, which is, you love to see it. We ended up naming her Adelaide. My daughter, or my wife and daughter came up with it. Adelaide. We're going to call her Adelaide Rose. And so we'll probably call her Rosie or Addie or something like that. ABUS. All right, so EXPR is still looking interesting. And man, I got out of these at the right time. Look at AMC dip right when I got out. And AMC's got 500 million in the float. So please don't think I'm influencing AMC or Prague, really, for that matter. Definitely not the SPY. But really good exits here. And this is exactly what I was talking about. So if you guys want to understand what I meant by that earlier today, guys, like what I meant by don't buy high of the day breakouts. Experienced traders are taking profit at the top of the range. All right, this is what I mean by this, is that this is the range I attacked with AMC. I bought here. I took profit at the top right here. All right, so what did I do? I attacked the top of the range. So I bought at the bottom of the range. I sold at the top. Prague, what did I do? I bought this dip down here. And where did I take profit? Close to the top of the range up here, right around that high of the day. SPY, I did the exact same thing. SPY, I bought the dip here. And where did I take profit? I took profit at the top of the range up here. And so I'm attacking the top of the range. That's usually what experienced traders do. And so if you're a new trader and you're just buying high of the day breakouts, you're going to get faked out a ton. Sometimes it might work. And sometimes they might come back and end up hitting those levels. But buying these pullbacks is so much safer than buying those high of the days. And the reason for that is because experienced traders are taking profit at the top. They're taking profit at the top of the range, not buying it. And so there's a lot of sell orders going in at the top of the range, and that's going to push it down. And so a lot of new traders just buy it when it tests highs, and then they get slammed down and they don't understand it. And they might have one or two trades where they make money doing it that way. And so it misleads them into thinking that it's a viable strategy when a lot of the time it's not. And so please understand that, guys. What's up, Slim? What's up, brother? Yeah, we named her Addie, bro. Hey, what's up, Joel? See, oh, my bad, Slim. My bad, brother. I just now saw your donation. CCL for long-term investors. Yeah, Carnival cruise ships. That market is hot right now. That market is hot. I think if we're looking at the long-term chart, it could be an oversold dip buy. I think that it's the same type of thing we got with MGM. It's the same type of thing we got. Look at BFRI flying up. It's the same type of thing we got with United Airlines the last time we had one of these little mini crashes like this. And it could certainly be a potential bottom here. And maybe not. Maybe we're wrong. But I don't hate that one, Slim. I don't mind it for sure. My own subjective opinion is I don't mind CCL here. And again, it could be a little bottom feeding dip buyer. Look at CCL rip up to 17.16. So it's looking good. But yeah, thank you, Daniel. I appreciate that, brother. Thank you, man. My bad. I didn't see what you meant. What's up, Joel? Yeah. Damn, Joel. That's great, brother. Congrats, dude. All right, guys. So yeah, we got CCL at the bottoms here at 17s. Hey guys, I do want to tell you guys, we need 2 subscribers to break 76K. 2, just 2 little baby subscribers. Hit that subscribe button, guys. You know you want to. You could be my 76,000th subscriber, guys. So if you haven't already, hit the sub button. Do it now. You know you want to. Everybody's doing it. Just try it one time. See how it feels. It might feel good. Hit the subscribe button. Do it now. You know you want to. Everybody's doing it. Just try it one time. See how it feels. I appreciate you guys. Hey, you as well, Hisham. Congrats, brother. Good job. Yeah, for sure, Paul. Hey, thank you, Kevin, my man. I appreciate that, brother. Thank you, dude. Hey, there we go. Just that little word. We broke 76,000. We got 76,003 subscribers. I appreciate you guys. I love you all. I appreciate the support, of course. All right, AMC breaking highs at 31s right now. Looking good. Maybe I should have held the dip. BFRI dipping down to 6. Hey, my man Ramon. Thank you, brother. I appreciate you, bro. Thank you, dude. What's up, cats? Hey, good morning. PTN? Thank you, my man Ramon. I appreciate that, brother. PTN? Yeah, PTN rip it up at 61 cents. 61 cents. Let's watch it. We'll see what happens there. Yeah. Hey, thank you, Jason. I appreciate you, bro. Matt Kors is down $662,000 on AMC, and Trey is down $81,000 on AMC. Yeah, I mean, I just think it. I don't know. I'm just gonna stay out of that. I don't know. Hey, thank you, Paul. But yeah, that's tough. That's tough. Yeah, see, listen. I told the good dude. This was the conversation with the guy from Fiverr. He said, "I am sorry for late sending." I said, "I understand, but you made me pay $75 for 12 hours and then took 30 hours. Not really ethical, to be honest. Honestly, I'm being nice, leaving a 3-star review. I could have left a 1-star because I didn't even use the video. I needed it out sooner, so I had to go with someone else. Just be honest with people," is what I said. He said, "I understand, but I promised I can't late in the future." I think he hopes that I'll reuse him again. I said, "It's all good, man. Have a good day. No worries." And he said, "Thank you," with an exclamation point. So wholesome ending to that drama for today's stream. And I'm just going to leave it at that. I'm not going to get a refund. I'll let that man keep his $75. He probably needs it. You know what I mean? Like, it's all good. I don't know what he's going through over there. It's all good either way, you know. Anyways, SPY bouncing right off of that support level we talked about at 455. We got PTN down at 59. Yeah, they probably lost that much in profit. Yeah, that's probably why. Paul D sent me. Hey, thank you, Francis. Yeah, I know. Yeah, he meant I won't be late in the future. It's all good, man. You know, whatever. All right, so here's the SPY dipping down to 455s. We're gonna see if it holds. Yeah. Yeah. Cats, that's tough. It happens, though. Those type of things will always happen in the market. You just got to protect yourself. All right, so we're up about $40 today. A little bit less than 40, like 37. And we'll start to take some swings if we can. Honestly, it's been a really profitable week, and I don't know if I want to force it too much. Honestly, one thing that's really been kind of a game changer for me is that my pre-market trading. So shout out to Pawn. Pawn's really the one that was like, bro, you make money in pre-market. And Paul's right, or Pawn was right. He told me, he was like, look, bro, I've been following your pre-market trades. You're green almost every day in pre-market. And he's right. I have been green every day. Maybe I should trade pre-market. Larger sizing. This is the P&L right now. We've only had one stock that we actually lost on today, and it was CFVI here. Everything else were green, just small size. You know, so we'll see what we get. We'll find something. SPY ripping back up here. Back up. SPY popping back up at 455. PTN. Here goes AMC dipping and bouncing at 370s. So here's the SPY dipping down. Maybe we'll buy a little bit of SPY if it sets up nice enough for us. Maybe. Maybe we'll buy a little bit if the SPY sets up right. I don't know if it's going to, but we'll see. We also have like AMD. I haven't even looked at AMD in a minute. What did Apple end up doing? Here's Apple. So Apple is understandably green on the day, which I guess we should expect it to a certain extent. AMC is trying. AMC is trying. PTN dipping down a little bit here, dipping down some. So we'll see if we get a bounce there or something with AMC. ABUS. ABUS hammered down. Wow. Big drop. AT&T is buying Ford, really. Also, guys, while we still got some people here, be sure to go check out our sponsor, BidGet. BidGet is super useful because I've had a lot of people that are like, yo, copy trading looks really dope. And copy trading is dope. Let me get BidGet up here. For some reason, this is always acting weird. Whoa. All right. There we go. All right, let me get BidGet up here. So hold on. Where's my screen? Where did my screen go? Oh, there it is. All right. So we are in Apple a little bit here, guys. 10 shares. Catching the rip, catching the bounce. Small. We're already taking most profit off. We might add a little bit on this dip too. Let's add to this here. 15 shares. What did Ramon do? If Ramon did something, I'm missing it here. Let me switch this over here so I can actually see it. Having some success with PSUN. Nice, Rich. Congrats, bro. All right, so we're already trading on house money here with Apple. I'm kind of tempted to buy the pullback a little bit here. We're already green. And we'll just go ahead and add this other 25 shares. And then now we got a full 25 share spot so we can get out of it quick if we need to. All right, so we bought a little bit of Apple here. We're looking for an Apple rip. Let me see if I can find. Oh, I got married. Oh, I get married today. Congrats. Everybody give my man Ramon a big congratulations. The man's getting married today. I wish you guys a lifetime of happiness, brother. Congrats. Great day. Enjoy it. You know. Best advice I could give anybody for being married is being married's a job. You know, I think Rich told me that yesterday, and he's right. You know, being married is a job. You got to always work at it. And you got to just keep working at it. You know, the couples that stay together are the ones that stick together when everybody else gives up. And, you know, you're going to want to give up at certain times of marriage. That's life. Best thing you can do is have a partner. And you want to make sure your partner understands too. Like, you got to find a partner that is kind of ride or die, that sticks with you no matter what. And as long as there's certain standards that don't, you know, of course. But you want to find somebody that's going to stick with you no matter what. And, you know, I'm sure you found that. Just wish you guys the lifetime of happiness, brother. And congratulations to you, bro. I don't know. Carol never really liked flowers, bro. Carol actually told me not to buy her flowers. She wasn't a flower person. All right, so Apple is making me lose today. Not really happy about this. The more it drops, the more I don't like it. Under 25, yeah, we're going to get out there. So we lost $8 on Apple. You don't love to see it, but it's all good either way. SPY pulling back some here. So maybe the SPY is going to bounce for us. We got that nice little level that we saw earlier. Yeah, hey, you know it, Rich. You know it, bro. But marriage will work. Like I said, you got to find somebody that is willing to stick with you no matter what. You know what I mean? Marriage is not easy. You know, a lot of people, they say, I think this is something else that Richard told me yesterday, which is that the first 5 years are the hardest. And I think that actually makes sense. I think that's probably accurate. All right, so we're trading the SPY again here. But I think the first 5 years are tough. It slowly gets easier as time goes on. And as you become more and more comfortable with the person, it's just part of life, you know. But yeah. Carol and I have been together for 12 years. You know, long time. All right, so we're catching the SPY rip, SPY bounce. We'll go ahead and get out here. See if we can get another dip to buy into. So yeah, we're about break even on the last 2 trades, still up 36 bucks. Look at Prague, P-R-O-G. Here, let me get the music rolling here. My bad, guys. Oh, the music is rolling. Okay, cool. Yeah. Yeah, Carol told me not to buy her flowers when we first got together. She wasn't a flower person. It's mostly just because she has allergies to flowers, right? So it's like, I could buy her flowers, but it might make her sneeze a lot, you know? So she's not a flower person. Like, I bought her jewelry and stuff, you know, but like flowers just wasn't her thing. Fun. We're looking at fun. ABUS we're watching too. PHU went back over VWAP here. We might buy some of this. PHUN creeped up over VWAP, reclaimed it. We'll see if it holds now. It's a big if, but we'll see. 50 shares, small position. We'll see if it works. I hear Carol playing with the dog now. Yeah, I've tried orchids, but it's any flower. She's just not into flowers. Protect the trade a little bit, take some size off. We're getting ready to get into kind of swing territory. Like, not swing like swing trade, but like swing scale up in size territory. So it's about time. It's about that time. So maybe we'll do it here with Prague. We can get a cactus, yeah, for sure. It's ironic because Carol's like a gardener. She likes to garden. You know. All right, so we're gonna get out of PHU in here, probably. We'll give it one more second here. 380s for Prague. AMC tanking down here. I think the market's dropping a little bit here, to be honest. All right, so we're gonna have to get out of this. Prague, once we're back under VWAP, it's just too much risk. AMC dipping down. Look at Prague. So not Prague. PHU win is what I mean. We're gonna have to get out of PHU win. All right, so we are scaling up a little bit into AM or the SPY itself, making some money. Oh crap! All right, so we just made most of the money back that we lost, or no, we made all the money back. We lost plus some here. All right, so we're out. We are currently up $56 on the day, so we're getting the scale up mode here. This is our P&L right now. 56.50s. Green day again, and small wins, but we're kind of adding them up. See you, Tiny. Have a good day. Stay green. Yeah, good. We'll see you tomorrow, hopefully. I like Solana. I think Solana is huge. I think Solana is going to be a huge one. Yeah, make sure you actually like the person you marry. And I don't mean like to, yeah, they eventually will, yeah, 100%. You got to make sure you mesh well with people, bro. You know what I mean? There's such a big honeymoon stage, and looks are super important in the beginning, obviously, but looks will fade for everybody. So you just got to make sure you mesh well with the person. You know, one of the reasons Carol and I have stayed together is because we meshed really well. We're a lot alike, and also my strengths are her weaknesses, so it kind of works out. And her weaknesses or her strengths are my weaknesses too, and so, you know, it ends up working out. All right, the SPY's up there to 454s. Beginner trading at gmail.com. Najib. Beginner trading at gmail.com. Hope I pronounced that right. Let me know if I didn't. Shiba's tanking, man. Shiba Inu just tanked today. No, I don't think you can be too like we're like Carol's like my best friend in the world. Don't get me wrong, but there's also a romantic part of our relationship still, and so it's like I think a lot of people are like, "Hey, that's my best friend," and I think that's a good thing to be. Like Carol's my friend, you know what I mean? Like I chill with Carol, obviously, but you can't be so friendly with somebody that you lose the romantic part of the relationship, and so there still needs to be romance there, and you need to constantly work at that. You know, if you don't work at that, it's going to fade. And, you know, like you got to constantly work at that. It's one of the reasons you see these old married couples that are like 70 plus still buying each other flowers, still dancing with each other, still being romantic, is because you got to keep that alive if you want it to work. You know, you can be friends with somebody, but eventually you're just going to turn into roommates. So you got to keep the romantic part of the relationship too, you know, because you could always be friends, but like you don't want to be only friends, you know. Hey, congrats, Cats. Yeah, Richard, 17 years. Congrats, brother. Hey, thank you, C. Good luck, brother. All right, so we're up. I'm trying to figure out if I want to dip buy this thing in the SPY right now. I don't know what I want to do if I want to dip buy this thing in the SPY. Prague or PHUN rejected at VWAP here. I'm really thinking about buying this dip in the SPY. Prague doesn't look that bad either, but it's under VWAP, so we're gonna wait here. Apple, I'm glad I got out of Apple when I did too. All right, so glad I didn't buy the dip in the SPY. I was really thinking about buying this dip, but I just didn't. But honestly, my plan today has worked much better. Like what I did today that I didn't do the last few days. Okay, so here's my biggest problem. Like I started trading the SPY, But what I did today that was different than the last few days is that I avoided this chop. I waited for the market to get a big and decisive move in a specific direction, and then I traded that direction. Instead of trying to predict what the trend is in that first 5 to 10 minutes, I waited for the trend to form and then I attacked that. That's something I need to do every day if I'm going to trade the SPY. Like if I'm going to trade the SPY, guys, I got to do that every single day or I'm going to get stuck in the chop. And I don't want that. I would rather wait for the trend to play out like I did on the SPY and then attack that. And this is good advice for any, to be honest, this is not financial advice. Don't sue me. We're not liable. If you lose, always make your own assessment and trade responsibly. We are not liable. None of this is professional trading advice. Maybe I could be wrong about all of this stuff. Not a professional trader, not even claiming to be a good trader. Please don't copy me or sue me. With that said it out the way though, this is usually true for most stocks that you're going to trade. You need to let the opening 5-10 minutes play out and then attack, because if not, you're going to get stuck in just random, spontaneous, erratic movement as the stock is trying to pick its trend on the day, if that makes sense. So that's what you got to do. With all of that said and out the way though, y'all check out BitGet. BitGet is the single best crypto platform to trade on, and I'll show you why. All right, BitGet has whatever you need in the crypto market. BitGet has copy trading. So number one, you can regularly invest. If you want to get involved with crypto and you don't want to copy trade and you don't want to do any of the complicated stuff, you can just regularly invest into coins on BitGet. And I'll show you how. Let me get into BitGet real quick here. But you can just regularly invest into crypto. They have Shiba Inu, they have Dogecoin, they have XRP, they've got Mana, all these crypto gaming coins as well. They've got all these coins. Hold on. And they've got all these coins that you want. I'll show you here. They've got all these cryptos. They've got Mana, Dogecoin. And so if you go to spot investing, you can just regularly invest. If you want to buy the Bitcoin dip, you can. If you want to buy Shiba Inu, you can. You want to buy XRP, you can. You know, and there's some dips in the crypto market. You can also copy trade. And copy trading is where most traders are going to be using this platform. Now, what you can do with copy trading is you can see which traders are making the most. Look at this guy. He's had 83% accuracy, 374% profit over the last 3 weeks. He's not sitting on any losses, and he's honestly really accurate. Look at this dude. He hasn't been around the market that long, which is okay, you know, but look at this guy. Crazy good accuracy. He's been trading here 3 weeks maybe. He's been on the platform for 29 days. 374% accuracy. He's made $42,000 over the entire time, over the last month of trading. $42,000. He's had 174 trades. And he's been green in a large majority of those trades. He's been green in 83% of those trades, made 42K over the last 3 weeks. And I can copy him trade for trade. All right. So if I copy him trade for trade, this is how you do it. You go to follow and you say, hey, he's trading way too large for my blood. So I want to go with 0.2 ratio. That's 0.2%, or that's 0.2 ratio. So that's 20% of his sizing. And so I'm not trading crazy large. And then I can say, hey, if he loses over, he's mostly a scalper. So I can say, hey, if he loses over 40%, get out. And I'm going to give him $500 max. And then it'll copy him trade for trade. Anything he gets in, you'll get in automatically. You won't have to do anything. And so it's really dope. And there's a lot of really profitable copy traders. Some of these guys are killing it, making huge sums of money. And you could also be a copy trader. And if you are a copy trader, you could earn 10%. And so you can see, like, for instance, this dude we just showed you here, he's got 99 followers. He's getting 10% from every one of these followers on all the gains he's making, right? So he made this dude 12 or 1,300 bucks. He made 130 bucks. He made this dude 1,800 bucks. He made $118. And this adds up. Look at all these followers. And so you can make a lot of money. And some of these guys are not trading huge. Like if I go to like accumulated transactions, look at these guys, 85% accuracy. He's made 188,000% or 18,000% with only $100 in profit. So some of these guys are making money big as copy traders, but they're not trading large sums of money. So they're only trading a few $100 and it's income for them. So they make money, they're putting in good percentage gains. And so you can be a copy trader that way. It's also KYC verified. So if you're in the US, you can get verified and trade on them as a copy trader or in futures. And in futures, they give you up to 125 times leverage. Super easy to use. You can short Bitcoin or go long on Bitcoin or Shiba or whatever crypto you want. They've got like 20 or 30 of the most popular cryptocurrencies that you can short, go long on with leverage. And again, if you're in the US, you can use them. And so there's a few different ways you can deposit money onto this platform. For the time being though, guys, right now, they've got a 10% deposit bonus. And so if you put up, it's capped at $1,000 deposit. So if you put in $1,000, they'll give you $100 that you can trade with, an easy 10%, and then you can use that for copy trading. And I think that's a smart move. You can get a free 10%, a free $100 that you can then put towards copy trading and try to roll up a stack for free, for nothing, except for putting up $1,000. That is going on for the next 2 days. So it's over the next 2 days. And so if you want to take advantage of that, I'll post this link. They are a sponsor of our video. Depositing money is super easy. You just go to buy crypto at the top right and specify how much, Bitcoin or USDT you want, and then use MasterCard, Visa, Google Pay, whatever, bank transfer. And you just click purchase at the bottom right. There's a whole facts section showing you how to do it. So check out BigGit, great platform, sponsoring of today's video. Love the platform. And again, you only got 2 days to take advantage of that promo that's going on where you get 10% deposit bonus up to $1,000. So I'm trying to think of what I want to do with the SPY here. There's the link. I put it in chat right now. If you want to check it out, there's the link. Yeah. Yeah, for sure. The plug. Hey, I don't plug anything for the most part. Also, guys, check out Benzinga. Top 3 pluggers in the world right now for sure. Check out Benzinga. Benzinga will give you scanners for 2 weeks without even needing a credit card number. So you get a 2-week free trial without even needing a CC number or anything like that. You can try them out completely free. Use the best scanners in the game. Great news platform. Here's the link if you want to check it out. Check out Benzinga. Hey, nice, William. Hey, I see you guys using my vernacular here. Hammered it, huh? Yeah, I see you. I see you over here using my vernacular. Hammering up, hammering down, ripping up, ripping down. NIO, great short though, brother. Congrats, William. Nice job, bro. Great trade. PTN. AMC Dibs, how's she doing?
Good. She's so sweet.
Hey, baby girl.
I'm gonna bring her in here because I need to go to the bathroom and she can't go in the bedroom.
Oh, that's cool.
I need to do some stuff in the bedroom, but she's been following me around.
Yeah.
Every time I come and I sit anywhere, I sat outside for a little bit.
Come here, baby girl.
She comes and sits on
It's okay. Come
my
here.
feet.
Yeah.
And just lays there.
Hey, baby girl. Yeah, that's a good girl. Yeah, that's a good girl.
Good girl.
Yeah. That's a sweet puppy.
All right, here. You gotta keep her. Okay.
All right. Just be careful. She was trying to chew the printer cord earlier. Hey, baby girl. It's okay. I'm right here. It's okay. Come here. It's okay. Come here. Yeah. Oh, you're playing right now. I see you. She's playing right now. All right. So I might buy this dip in the SPY. I don't know yet. The dog's name is Addie. Hey, baby girl. Come here. You want to sit in my lap? Come here. Come here. It's okay. I know. It's okay. Come here. Nope. Nope. Hey, it's okay. Come here. No, if you got a pee-pee, you go outside. You go outside if you got a pee-pee, doggy. Carol. Hey, she peed in my office, baby.
It's okay. No, no. You see that? No. It's okay. I'm not mad at you, but you can't do that. All right. Come on, it's okay. Come on. Come on. It's okay. Come on.
All right. So she ended up peeing in my office. I had to go clean it up real quick. Oh man, I missed the SPY dip, man. Look, there it was. I should have gotten it, bro. SPY looked really profitable on that dip. It's all good. But guys, I'm probably going to close it down, guys. Anyways, remember, if you want to check out Top Step, you can get funded in the futures market. If you want to trade, and I think Top Step has a really good use case because a lot of traders want to trade the same scalping setups that I do. And you can see I even trade the SPY itself. And so I don't have to use Top Step as much because I can just afford to buy enough shares of the SPY itself to not really need to. But if you don't have as large enough of an account as me, the futures market follows the E-mini in futures, follows the SPY in the S&P 500. That's why it's called the E-mini, because it's the S&P 500 basically. And so you can trade the futures market. It has no PDT rule. It gives you leverage, and Top Step funds traders in that market. So they give you a demo. If you can hit their target while following their rules, they fund you. Base one's $50K. If you can hit your target with a $50K demo, which I think is $3,000 without hitting their max loss, then they fund you $50K with an 80% profit split. And this is a company that pays out millions every year. They fund thousands. It is an affiliate link, and so I'm certainly biased in their favor. But you can use the same scalping strategies that I use on the SPY in the futures market with some success. Now, I can't guarantee you're going to make money, and it's very difficult to get funded, but it is an option if you want to try to trade or learn and grow and trade the same setups and strategies as me. But yeah, guys, this is Addie. Come here, Addie.
Hey, come here, girl. It's okay. Come here. Come here. It's okay. Come here. Here. Look what I got. You want the bone? Come on. Come. Here. It's okay. It's a good girl. Here. You want that?
This is the baby girl if you didn't see her. Oh, this is the baby girl. Come here. It's okay. Yeah, that's a good girl. This is the baby girl if you didn't see her. It's a good girl. Yes. Yes. That's a good girl. All right. This is baby Addie, but I'm going to get out of here, guys. Listen, I love you all. Check out the latest crypto channel, guys. So we did drop a new crypto video at Beginner Crypto. I'll post this link. Go subscribe to Beginner Crypto. I'll post the link. It's the top metaverse projects in the market right now. So listen, go subscribe, hit the like button. Great way to help support the channel. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Love you all. Good luck. And we'll see you guys next time. There's the link right there for the crypto channel. So go check it out, guys. Love you all. Another green day. Didn't have very many red days. We're up almost $60 today. Pretty small, but green. Good luck. Love you all, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.